Hello, hello. Welcome, friends and traders. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades, and we have our amazing, energetic, powerful expert trader, Tom Sabo. Hi, Tom.
Good morning, Terry. Hello, everybody. I love the energy. It's so good to be back. Good morning, chat. Hello to Abhishek and Magnus and Trevor, Nate, Aaron, everybody at MyFundedTV. And of course, we have a special day today with the roundtable. How's it going, Terry? Good morning.
Good morning. I am so excited for our roundtable today. We have Pine Tree Trader. We also have Methodical Man. Let's go.
Let's go.
Awesome. Woo! And the market is quite red this morning. Did you see?
Well, it's a crazy market again. We have much to talk for sure, and I don't even know if it's good for scalping or not. But anyway, lots of things to talk about again, I'm sure.
All right, let's get started. Let's welcome the crew.
Hey,
welcome.
Good morning, guys. How's everybody?
Good morning. It's going well. How are you guys?
See you guys. How are you guys? Yeah.
Pretty good, pretty good. The sun is shining. We woke up this morning. Hey, life is good.
Well,
nice.
I'm not awake yet, but I'm doing good. Doing good.
Somebody get
Nice.
Pine Tree some smelling salts over there. We got to
Yeah,
get
yeah.
going.
How much you sleep, Pine? Are you trading the Asia session? Because I don't know. Like, what's your schedule there? What's your average sleep cycle?
I do trade Asia, but since I stream at night, I usually am like fired up after I'm done streaming. It's the time I eat, and I go to bed at like midnight, 1, 2, and then so
He's a night owl.
yeah, I never used to be either. Yeah, I never used to be. I used to be in bed at like 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. and then up at 4 or 5, but now it's kind of the opposite.
It's the trading. It's the streaming during Globex.
Yeah.
Well, that begs the question then, are you a coffee man in the morning? You get some caffeine? What do we got? Tom Sabo
Good
bath
question.
water, looks like.
That's exclusive.
No caffeine. I've been caffeine free for probably over a decade.
Okay, let's
amazing.
go.
Yeah, that's why
Wow.
That's why I'm a little slow to wake up.
We'll
Now
wake
you
you
have
up,
it.
Pine.
You have the cold shower in the morning, right? Only cold water.
That's right.
I think that was moose urine I just saw. It's a specialty.
I can share the schedule with everyone. Today is Wednesday. You are watching Terry, Tom, Pine, and Myth. We're doing the roundtables today. And then we have Forex, Ike, and Corey, the phone trader, at 10:30. And that's the schedule for today.
Thank you, Terry.
You're welcome.
Let's go over some chart here, some chart time, guys, because I must say that the London session was somewhat a bit of a disappointment. Not too much, obviously, but it kind of feels like we're getting back into the typical summer type of price action, because London session kind of goes back to like that 50s to 70-ish points of a range, and this morning I chopped myself up a little bit. Thank God I didn't really do anything huge damage, but I was just scalping my way left and right in this range. I was kind of hoping that we will go down to previous day low, or down to the 29K level, or at least maybe slowly we push back up to that 4-hour value gap, which we did, but we were kind of hovering somewhere in the middle at the 29,080 and 100-ish area. Anyway, not much to talk about that. Eventually, the market pushed higher, took out the 2/3 minute supply zone, and then went up to the 29,173. It was actually a perfect tag, because if you guys zoom in on the 5-minute or whichever time frame you're on, that 173 on the micro is the 4-hour value gap. Perfectly tagged it and then shifted lower, and that was quite a bit of a drop there. The only thing I did, I would say, right, and it was a really good trade, is I shorted on the 3-minute time frame on a bearish order block, and that was a really good 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. Otherwise, we swept previous day low, and if we just switch to the 15-minute or higher, but I'm just going to show it on the 15. We have this gray area here on my chart. This is the leftover from a daily fair value gap, which has been partially repriced already yesterday. But I'm kind of hoping that we might gonna be slowly pushing higher. So overall, my bias would be, as for now, bullish. So I'd like to have some bullish momentum, and get some targets taken out. That 4-hour fair value gap, although it got tagged with a few ticks, but I still like to see the price going back to it. There's no supply or demand zone, by the way, that we can go with. So yeah, just swing highs and that fair value gap higher. So that's all we have on IQ. And a quick look on gold. Not much has happened. Same sideways action in the London session, pushed higher above the midnight level, then swept the liquidity, swept some low here. Overall, there's a 4-minute supply zone. I know I have it up there at 4,142.6. So I'd like to see the market push higher. Yeah, so overall, my bias is bullish on gold as well, but no other level, by the way, that I could go with. So who knows? I'm going to be bullish on both gold and NQ. Just a quick look on ES, same situation, swept some levels down there. Yesterday, it kind of seemed to me in the PM session, it was kind of creeping lower and lower, creating lower highs along the way. Would be nice to see ES make that huge push as well. We have got some relatively equal highs along the way above that, what's that level, 75, 50-ish area, and up there in the 60s. So yeah, let's hope for bullish moves here. We don't have any scheduled news, I guess, but we'll talk about that too. But that's all I have. Maybe we'll do some pew trades, but we'll be reactive. That's all I have. Thank you.
Sounds good. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
I do see crude oil inventories at 10:30. And then also we have President Trump speaking at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that is scheduled news for today. I did see some headlines. So we had that big candle just a few minutes ago. Yeah. Trump on Truth Social said, from this point forward, anytime the Islamic Republic of Iran shoots at a ship in the Strait of Hormuz, the U.S. will bomb one bridge or power plant. Whew.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
That's
heavy.
That's heavy. Yeah, that is heavy.
Lots of things happening in the Middle East. So market is very sensitive to all those headlines. I also saw a headline from AMD. This was very interesting. So if you look at the market, let me see, what time was it? At about 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, 8:25, we had that big green candle, 2 of them on the 5-minute chart. And that was a headline regarding AMD and Anthropic. So AMD is going to be investing a lot of money. Yes. AMD and Anthropic announced partnership. AMD to make equity investment of up to $5 billion in Anthropic. Wow. Very, very influential in the chip area. So maybe that'll help that push that you're looking for, Tom.
Yeah, that could be helping in the situation. I actually placing a buy limit order, by the way, just saying this would not be a swing. This would not be a scalp trade. This would be most likely a swing trade. Just an FYI for you guys. This is based on the 5-minute, but if I go down to the 4-minute, I do see this bullish pin bar, but I'm kind of liking that it actually swept everything. We have this very strong bullish push there, both on the 5, the 4, and even on the 3-minute chart, it looks really good. So the top of that bearish candle at 8.54 on the 3-minute also looks good for an entry. So my limit buy order is at 49.50. Maybe I can put it a little bit higher. If you ask me, what is the target? Why am I entering? Well, the reason is that I'm definitely looking for the market, as I said, to go higher, and I'm just going to go for a straight 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio here. So 1 micro, which means I'm about to risk around 150, 170 bucks on this trade, but it's all right because thank God it's in profit. So I'm kind of sacrificing some profits here. Hopefully it will push higher. So it could be like an intraday swing position if I'm going to get tagged in this one. Who knows?
Very nice. Yeah. Myth, you're in a long right now too?
No, I'm not long. I exited. I longed the sweep of 75.06 on the ES, and actually not a huge fan of Tom's long here. I'm going to root for it, but we left the data low down there, and I never long with data lows below. So okay, we're gonna wait. I'm expecting a Judas swing to take out that data low at 961 at open. and then the move higher to happen. But I'm rooting for you, Tom. We got you back.
Yeah, thank you for the positive comments there. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
We'll see what happens.
Pine, what are your thoughts this morning?
What kind of swing was that? Can you even say that on YouTube? I don't even know what that is. Yeah, I mean, we left that tweet candle down there at the 952. That I don't know. Maybe we come back down there. I'm just gonna wait for the market to open and see what we get. I said last week where I just been killing accounts pre-market about the hour before the market opens. I just kill accounts left and right. It just doesn't work for me. So I'm just gonna kind of wait and see. As no surprise, the market was dipping. We were down almost over 1%, and then we get the tweet comes out, pops the market back up. I mean, come on. I mean, this is just the this is just what we do here. So
This is what we do.
in America. This is what we do. We just market drops and then we tweet and then try to pop it back up. So plunge protection team in, and but yeah, it'll be interesting here. I will be interested after we take out this data low here. I'm considering this like a data candle probably.
Same.
But maybe we come down and test that, or we don't. Maybe this is just a pump. This will be the low of the day. We'll see. But yeah, that's all I got.
Are there any no prints on your DOM, Pine? I know you like to look for the no prints below us.
Probably to the downside. Let me see real quick. Yeah, we do actually to the downside. On the lower end of this wick here, we have some zero prints down here, 952, 953. Pretty much from 952 up through the 965s. A bunch of single prints and zero prints on the histogram. If you guys don't know anything about that, basically it's just orders that didn't get, well, it's not orders that didn't get filled, but it's orders that are price that could get filled because we skipped over these prices because the market was moving so fast. And during the Globex Open, I like to target these areas sometimes where like if the market opens and you get a gap or it's really volatile, then these can be nice little spots where the market will come down and retest these areas. So, but you don't want to just hop in blindly and say, well, I'm just going to short now and then hope that it pulls down in here. You kind of got to wait for a setup. Maybe once we start plunging down below 29,000, then you could kind of target these areas or something like that. But
Thank you, Pine.
The pre-orb is also set, guys. If you're not familiar with the pre-orb, it's 46 points this morning, the high and low between 9 and 9:15. I'm going to take that range and trade it at the open, looking for 10 points with bigger size. So that is set. It's 46 points, which is perfect.
Yeah, I got tagged into the trade, by the way, at 49.75. I'm not saying it won't go down. Obviously, it can go way lower, and just letting you guys know I'm tagged in with 1 micro, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, it is. Yeah, we're in it.
Well, nothing's guaranteed. I mean, it certainly could go up, right? For sure.
Yeah.
We've got plans. I like it.
Oh, yeah, we do.
I like it. I can share our current promos.
Well, let's go over the promos.
Let's do it. Oh, I can share my screen.
Oh, yeah. Let's
do it. There we go. We have 50% off the Rapid Builder and Pro using code YouTube. Every time you guys use code YouTube, it does help to support the channel. So thank you so much, you guys. Everyone gets 2 uses of this, and it goes until July 31st. After that, we still have sales. So after you use the 2 uses, we have 30% off the pros, 20% off the rapids, and 40% off the builder. And we currently have 10% off the flex plan. So those are the current sales right now.
Make sure, everybody, to type in the code YouTube at the checkout page, because it will always, forever and ever, it will always give you the best available discount. Okay, so type it in. Let's go. It is definitely going to make us smile, and Terry is going to do some cheerleading for us. So definitely type in the code YouTube.
Let's do it. How are we on the likes?
we are doing, I think we're doing pretty good on likes. Let me just refresh this. 112. Thank you so much. That's a good start, everybody. That's how we do it. We are so happy. We're over 500 viewers right now. Thank you for joining us at the round I can't speak. So at the round table, guys, let me tell you something. All right. So from Hungarian to switch to English is extremely difficult because it has the exact opposite pronunciation. It's really hard sometimes, guys. It's really hard. Anyway,
English is Tom's fourth language, guys. We got to keep that in mind.
I know, but that's a secret, so just leave it at that. So, anyway, thank you so much, everybody, for the support. If you're watching us on X or TikTok, make sure to hop over to YouTube, smash the likes, make sure to subscribe, share the stream link with everybody, your neighbors, your ex-boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever it is, your high school teacher, doesn't matter. Just share it, send it to them, send it to the ones you love and to the ones you hate as well. Just make sure that the link is out there, get more people around here, and get those likes going. Thank you.
Thank you. We will be doing the duck race today. I'm excited. I think that's my favorite versus the brain rot one.
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
We love that. My favorite, I actually do love the duck race. I do have a duck with me, so look at that. That's my
mine.
Personalized duck for me.
Nice.
So I have it, right?
Yes,
Everything.
I like it.
I think you can get one of those made with your actual face on it, Tom.
Yeah, I'm working on that. I have to get a 3D printer ready. So yeah, we'll make that. It's gonna happen. I don't know where to put it now. Anyway, I'm gonna put it down here.
Just hold it in your lap, pet it like a dog.
That's what I'm gonna do, by the way.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Eventually it will have hair if you keep petting it,
I know. But yeah. We're gonna talk about that too. Okay, so we have 11 more minutes until the market open. It's gonna be exciting for sure. Anyone is jumping into a trade before they open?
Clearly Tom is. It's printing right now. Printing.
Ooh,
it is pushing.
It is printing.
It is like skyrocketing, everybody. It's like changing the whole narrative. We're swimming in like, how much is this? 20 points, guys. 20 points. Swimming in 20 points.
I like this for a scalp. I'm gonna hop in for a quick scalp.
There you go. That's how she does it. Like she jumps in quickly, takes the money, running away. Pew pew.
Yes, I've noticed that when I stick to scalps, I can control my risk so much better versus if I try an intraday swing, I can let the loss get away from me. Does that ever affect you guys, or do you just have it down?
No, I never swing. So we only scalp.
Only scalp.
Only scalp.
Hey, win! I got it.
Let's go. I told you guys, that's what she does. In and out quick. Nice.
Little scalpy trade there, right in and right out. I like it. That's my kind of style.
It's less stress. Like you get in, get out, you're done with that trade.
When
Only
it works.
200 more to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy.
Listen, if you're gonna keep up with your most recent P&Ls, you might need 200 more.
Oh my gosh, I know. Got to slow it way down. Whew. Wild.
Amazing.
Thank you,
It
guys.
will work out. And by the way, yeah, perfect. Terry, usually you enter to like those couple of points, like 8 or 10 points of quick scalps there, and you have a really good sense of doing those at the market open. So actually, I'm thinking maybe if I would jump in with you, maybe I could risk it with 1 or 2 minis. That's a good, quick and good money, guys.
Yes.
Terry guarantees, not Tom guarantees, right? Let's go.
Yeah.
Especially with the momentum at the open. Sometimes we just get that really strong push, and if you have a nice bracket already set, you could just press a button and then it'll just do its work. Either it hits your TP or stop loss.
We got to talk about that momentum, guys. So I don't know, whenever you see the market like, okay, it's going somewhere, you see a level and the volume is really spiking up and you see the candles are kind of printing real fast. Do you guys jump in like, okay, I don't care, I want to take like 8 or 10 points out of this run? Do you guys do that? Never?
No.
Ever? No?
Really? I've learned I've been punished way too many times.
I usually don't. If I do, I'm not looking for like 8 to 10 points. I'm usually looking for like a bigger move or something. But nice. I will hop in. I'm not. Cool. I'll hop in. I'll risk it. sometimes. And like if we got a nice push down, like towards the open, and if I have a specific target in place, then yeah, I'll just hop in on the momentum. But every once in a while, if I'm trading like an intraday trailing drawdown account, and we start getting that super fast movement, then yeah, I'll click the button, But
the only reason why I don't
not
do
too
it
often.
anymore is because the market tends to go towards a key area and just bounce. It gets like 3-4 points away and bounces. It's been doing that a lot recently, and I don't know why, but yeah, so punishment, max pain when I do that, unfortunately.
Max pain.
Yeah.
That happens. Yeah.
The market teaches us with pain, unfortunately.
Yeah, and by the way, it sucks, but you know what? This is how it goes. So we get this question so many times, like, how should I, go on with my trading journey? What do I have to do to become better? Well, you need to suffer. I'm sorry, but that's what's it has to happen. There's no way around it. Yeah.
That expression that the market is our best teacher is so true, because when we make mistakes, the market will definitely tell us, and it will always humble us also. And when we get that feedback, like, that's how we learn, and it's by making those mistakes. And it also hurts sometimes. Most of the time.
Yeah.
It does.
But eventually it barely affects you.
Yeah, go on, Pine.
I say it humbles everyone too.
It
like
does.
everybody.
Yes.
Like you'll see some things, maybe people in my own community or whatever, but you'll see some things out in the ether, and people get a little arrogant, a little cocky about their trading, and next thing you know, they disappear for months or forever. It will humble you. I think most of us are still in the game because we're just too stubborn to give up. And the only time I've ever quit has been forced quit because I went broke. That's a forced quit. But I've always just said, well, I'm never going to give up on this. And I just want to keep trying over and over and over until I get something going,
Yeah, and as far as I've seen it in the past couple of years, those losses, so for example, if you blow up an eval or a funded, or even just losing a couple of trades here and there, are not really hurting you as much as they were, at least me, as they were hurting me a couple of years ago. Because as time goes on, and obviously, you should be having more success in trading, not just payouts, but more trades, better setups, better risk management. And, as long as you're, on that track, on that positive journey, losses here and there should not be affecting you as much as it were hurting you before at the beginning of your journey. So it will ease up a little bit, I can tell you guys. So if you're, just starting out with trading, everybody, if you're just starting out and it kind of hurts to lose an account or a couple of trades in a row, it will get better, but it takes time, right? Chart time, experience, better setups, risk management, but it will get better, but it's going to take time.
Yeah. I had someone say to me last night that, geez, I do so well when I don't care about the trades, or I don't care about the account. And it's not like, well, they just a full point in the account, they don't care. But there is that psychology where if you're up against it, if your back's against the wall and you're completely broke to try to trade and try to make that money back, chances are you're just going to dig yourself into a bigger hole. So, like I've always suggested, just have a side income. Don't let it be your only source of income, and then you'll end up trading much better. And even if you keep it as a secondary income, like our friend Forex Ike, who's going to be streaming later, this is not his full-time income. Like trading is not, but like supplemental income, he's making basically a double salary off his trading on top of his real job. So there's definitely something to that.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I agree 100%.
Yes, it takes off the stress. So no one should quit their day jobs, is what you're saying?
Well, yeah, I mean, sorry, go on, Pine.
I think it is possible, but it all depends. Everyone's in a different situation. It's just, it all depends on where you're at financially, or if you have 25 kids like Methodical Man, or
True.
or you know, or if you're just a single bachelor, you know, just all you need is ramen noodle money. You know, it kind of depends on where you're at and how much money you need. You know, everyone's in a different situation. If your cost of living is really low, then you can get away with, you know, just getting maybe a daily payout with a Rapid account. And, you know, I make, you know, $1,000 a week or $500 a week or whatever you need, and you can do it. But if you're trying to support a giant family and things like that, it can be very difficult until you get to that level where you're making, you know, whatever you need, 6 figures a year or something, with trading profits too. Not just like, well, I got 6 figures in payouts, but my expenses were 80,000 or something. You know, it's a little different, but yeah.
That's true. That's 100% true, by the way. Yeah. So any type of business you guys are having, or main job, even if you're getting better and better in trading, I suggest to keep those streams of income. I would call them streams of income. So whether you're operating a brick and mortar business, whatever it is that you do, just keep doing it. I 100% agree that the best trading results will come if you're treating trading as also like a part-time business, or like your secondary business, or it could be your main business, by the way, but make sure to have other streams of income. That's it.
Yeah. Takes off the pressure.
100%.
Oh. And not every month is going to be a great month either. Some months might be amazing, and then other months you might struggle. So
Even quarters.
Someone in the chat just said, Dave G said, they needed to pick up some gig work, such as DoorDash, to pay for evals, because I was spending too much money. I know Methodical Man and myself have both done DoorDash and some gig work to be able to pay for evals a few years ago to keep going. And so, yeah, that's a great way. Any way you can make some extra money, and that's a good way to look at it. Like, well, if you go out and DoorDash, you make $100, you can pay for an eval. That you're gonna respect that eval a lot more. I can guarantee you that. So
it's kind of a punishment, right? If you trade bad, you break your rules, you blow the eval. Well, the punishment is, in order to buy a new one, you got to go make the money.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
So
100%.
I used to do that where I trade. Where the nice thing about doing gig work like that is I used to trade in the morning, trade the New York Open, and then, you know, by 10, 11 o'clock. Probably about 11 o'clock, I was out doing the DoorDash till dark or whatever. So, you was able to make a little bit of money in the morning, hopefully, and then be able to go do some DoorDash. So there we go. Market's open, guys. Let's go.
All right.
Woo! Your long is looking good.
Well, at this second, but what's going to happen in 5 minutes? Nobody knows.
Wow.
Push here.
You may not need 5 minutes.
Yeah, maybe it's only a few more seconds and it's done. We've seen so many tricks from NQ at the open, so we're not surprised anymore. Yeah. Look at this. Okay, nothing special. By the way, I 100% agree. And everybody did and does other types of businesses or jobs next to trading. Wow, look at this push here.
Ooh, it's pushing.
Oh, yeah. And so... also, but don't forget that trading, especially since prop firms came into the picture, and especially with MyFundedFutures, I would say trading is technically the cheapest business that you can start out of. I mean, you only need like a cheap laptop, McDonald's Wi-Fi, and an eval. You can buy the builder plan and you're ready to go. That's it. So I don't really know any other business that you can start out as cheap as you know, going into trading. Lots of information is free on YouTube, everywhere. Of course, you always got to be here at MyFundedTV because here's the best information. But otherwise, you know, everything is we are spoon-fed basically. We have all kind of information on the internet. So just need that laptop, the Wi-Fi, and the eval, and let's go.
Yes.
That's all you need.
And our stream. Tune
end
in
our stream.
every single
Tune
day
in.
to learn so much. Yes, someone actually asked me that in a post. They said, "Teach me how to trade," and I sent the link of our stream. I was like, "Come watch us every single morning. We're all dropping so much knowledge and information and experience. Look at this. We are pushing into VWAP. NQ is only down by about 194 points now. Will we trade above VWAP? ES is down by about 12 points in the red, and YM is green by about 90-ish points. Ooh, YM is just pushing, making new highs. That's interesting.
Oh, yeah. It is. And I'm kind of, I don't really know what to, I mean, I know what I want to do, but I wonder how far this push can go. If you're assuming that the market really wants to shift into a bullish gear, then I'm actually tempted to leave this position on until the full 1-2 risk to reward, which is my TP is at 225.75 out there, which you might say, oh, that's a little bit too much. You know what? We talked about those 363 levels and Myth, I think you were mentioning 400s up there. So I would say this could turn out to be like an intraday swing position. So I'm gonna keep the trade going. Once we break into the 170s or 80s, maybe I will move my stop to break even just to make sure, but we'll see.
Yeah, I like it. We got the gap fill up at 309 from the overnight, from the daily gap.
Wow,
nice. Okay.
This is so bullish, this first candle.
It is bullish. Yesterday we were bullish.
Yeah, we're around the
bullish
weave
too.
up, guys.
We're above on my chart. Oh, what do we do? What now?
I think we will be breaking that swing high right here. Although expect a pullback, and right now, because this was such a strong push up there, a pullback could be like 30-40 points easy. So be careful with the pullbacks here. But the VWAP is definitely having. I mean, the market definitely is respecting the VWAP here. But
ES is above the VWAP, by the way.
Ah, okay. All right.
Okay, I'm going to go in for a quick scalp above the 5-minute orb if we break it. So it'll close in about 1 minute here. The target of the 5-minute orb is 162.25 in full size contract. So
nice.
My order will just be resting there, and we'll see if it gets hit.
I'm just laughing because the VWAP is saying, I'm here, the VWAP. We know you're here.
Hi, VWAP.
Hey.
We've missed you.
He's here. He's here. All right.
What are you guys thinking? Anything?
I'm thinking...
I'm looking to maybe possibly long YM, but not yet.
I think ES needs to hold 33 here to continue higher.
Did your pre-orb work, Myth?
We did not get triggered. It never went back inside, opened up outside the top of it. So no trade on that today.
I still believe we should be making a new high. I know this high was actually being created at, or actually this was printed at 650. So by smart money terms, usually the kill zone starts at 7 a.m. in the early New York session. I know many of you guys don't really like to use these terms, but it says like orders are flowing into the market after 7. So this high was created at 650. Now, using the analogy of the macro and the concept of the macro, I would say that's a good swing high up there, which is like, where is it? The high is 170.75. So yes, I'm thinking that it should be breaking that 170 if you're looking for a quick trade. But again, be careful with the pullbacks here. Yeah,
I'm long YM. Just
let's go.
I'm
see if we get some continuation.
I'm looking for 39.75 on the ES, so we'll see.
Oh, we're trading everything this morning. I love it.
Oh, we're all long though, I think.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
No,
I was actually thinking the other day,
yet.
maybe I should trade Euro futures a little bit. Huh? Would that be exciting? Not really. I don't know. I don't know if that's popular nowadays. I've been told more and more people are trading currency futures, but I'm not sure about that. I don't know.
I took profit on YM 50 points.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Nice.
W's for Pine.
That was quick.
But I
Good
really like to
job.
trade YM during New York Open. After that, or after it starts to slow down, or during Globex or Asia, I cannot stand trading YM. It's way too slow. But during the New York Open, I do like to trade it. It's a little, sometimes it feels a little cleaner than the Nasdaq, and I can tend to be a little more consistent with it, especially on if I'm using a copy trader. So if I use a copy trader and where Nasdaq's very whippy, sometimes with a copy trader you don't get those fills like you like, and with YM you tend to get those fills pretty clean, and you can copy trade multiple accounts with YM. So a little tip there if you guys are looking for a new instrument to trade, and Nasdaq's kind of chopping you up in the mornings. YM could be a good one.
YM can move super fast. I've noticed that. Like, yeah, when it goes,
Ooh,
it goes.
I like this. So we went down, we were a green candle, and now we're becoming, I mean, we're a red candle, now we're a green candle.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get triggered. Oh, I'm in.
No, nice, because I just wanted to say on the 1 minute it created a bullish order block, but we have to wait until this minute candle to close. But so far it seemingly created a bullish order block, so everything looks good for the final push about to the 70s, 170 at least. Yeah, perfect order block formation here. It should be pushing it up there to the 170 something area, and even higher. So
now Nasdaq, I mean, we are getting that push, but it seems like it's kind of lame this morning.
You see how it's stalling
maybe it's
right
just
there?
me, but it's kind of lame.
Well, this is kind of what I was talking about, like chasing, right? Trying to chase that 173 level, and see how it just stalls and pulls back. 50 points.
Yeah, I mean, just because, I also like to add that, yes, it created an order block on the 1 minute, but it can also like go lower and take the low end of that order block. It can still be good. Order blocks, in this case, kind of giving me like a direction or a sign that the market is still looking to go higher, although it can definitely sweep some lower levels. Again, depends on how much you can afford to lose or to risk on a trade like this. So far, nothing out of the extraordinary here, so we're still on track to push higher, by the way.
Yeah, I mean, I think I just meant that the volatility, like it's just what are we at, like 76 points right now total with the New York Open. It's just it seems a little lame this morning. I wonder if there's lack of news for sure as far as economic news, but with that we do have those earnings after the market closes. So we have Google and Tesla.
And
IBM. So
5 or 10 minutes after 4 p.m. or later. When is it usually goes up?
I'm not
Somewhere in
really
there,
sure.
10 to 20 after,
10 to 20. Okay.
Okay, it's trying to push. It's turning green again.
We had that nice push yesterday on Nasdaq where it really tried to push. So I wonder, this is, I don't know, but just the thought, like, has something leaked for the tech earnings? Are people buying into the tech earnings? Is it because we had that nice pump yesterday, and so it'll be interesting if we pump today as well. But because it's a big club and a big gang, and we're not in it. We're not a part of it. So
why is that? We need to be in that. That can happen also. True. So they're pricing it in already, or that it could be doing that maybe in the PM session. So if you see anything funny happening in the PM session, that could be it,
For sure. Yeah, power hour could be interesting today.
Oh, yeah. So you guys trade the power hour, Pine, Myth? How are you guys doing with that?
Not really. No, I tend to stay away from it.
Sometimes, usually if I'm down money. If I'm down money, then I'm trading power hour, especially on a Friday. Power hour on a Friday afternoon, if I'm trading, I'm down money. I'm trying to make money back.
Nice. Well, it can also do some really crazy moves, but who knows?
Yeah, I tend to stay away from it. I don't know. I do well with it usually when I trade it, but I try to walk away from the charts once I'm done for the day, because you'll be green and then next thing you know you're red.
Yeah, yeah.
It happens in a second for sure.
That is always the worst, where you're up big on the day, you're having a nice green day, and then you step in the power hour and try to make a little more money, and next thing you know, you lose all your profits in the last 15. As soon as MOC hits, and then you're on the wrong side of it, and then you lose all your profits in the last 10 minutes. That always sucks.
Oh, yeah. MLC can be so random.
Yeah.
Yeah, so far I think we should be pushing up to the 70s now.
Go!
Come on,
Yay!
there you go. There
I hit
you
my
go.
Let's go.
Congratulations. Terry did it again.
Yes. Pew, pew.
Let's go. If we stay above the 170, then yeah, that would be great, because as I said, I'm gonna keep the TP at 225.
So YM's pulling back now. Just off its high, but not. It's still green. And YM's up about 30 points, so it's sitting right around unchanged. And Nasdaq is still trying to push here,
I
which
got
is
stopped
interesting.
out in profit there, $127.
Let's go.
I went break even plus a few
Whoa.
points.
Nice.
W for Myth.
Once
Let's go.
once NQ took that high, so ES is lagging behind just a little bit here, unfortunately.
All right. I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even, because I would be crazy to let the market take this anyway, to drag me down into a loss. So this is a free trade now, and of course I still know that I know it's $260 right now, but the thing is, I definitely love the idea that we should be pushing higher, but I'm not giving anything back to the market right now, so it's free, absolutely free. So let's go.
Yeah, kind of above that 200 level. I mean, like, we're a little bit far away from the new day opening gap right now, but it really comes in play once you kind of get above that 200 level there. I don't see a whole lot holding us down, to be honest. So
Yeah.
didn't get what I wanted. I wanted the sweep of that data wick down there, because then it gives me a better opportunity to kind of go long. I know that 80% of those wicks get taken intraday, so kind of tricky for me to long, with that down there. But once we moved 100 points away from it, then we're far enough away to kind of, you can start just considering that it's going to be left for now. So
Yeah.
It's pushing.
Yeah,
Yep.
we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen. If the higher time frame analysis was correct, then it should be no problem for the market to get up to the 200s and even higher, actually to the 300s. So that's why I'm kind of feeling okay with the 225. But oh, something happens.
forums
heard
in the
that.
chat. Sounds like they're coming. Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. Everyone, make sure you get your name on the forum that will be dropped in chat for a chance to win a free account from MyFundedFutures. This is how we will be doing the duck race today with the forum. You do have to be present in order to win. So if you see your name announced by MyFundedFutures prop firm, make sure you tag at MyFundedFutures prop firm to claim your prize. Good luck, everyone.
Good
Look
luck,
at that
everybody.
squeeze. Nice squeeze there, Tom, right
Ooh,
above
wow.
200s.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go.
Oh my
Beautiful.
gosh, everybody. Oh my gosh.
Approaching that midnight level there. We'll see kind of how price reacts.
Now, this is the point where you really need to consider to close it or not. So I'm honestly asking you guys, what should I do? Should I close it or wait for TP?
No, we hold.
We hold? Myth says hold. Okay, I can blame Myth, by the way, for
Yeah,
this.
hold.
So that's good. He's taking the pressure. Let's
This-
hold it.
Yeah, this is the point where if you're not long, where you have the FOMO going, man, I wish I would have just long.
Right?
If this,
This is
trade
where the FOMO
loses,
kicks
if
in.
this trade loses, bathwater for everybody.
No, that's exclusive.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think it's going to hit.
We could expect a pullback because this was a strong push. So let's wait for a pullback. But yeah.
You are right there at the midnight open, though, right? Approaching it.
Yeah, the midnight is okay, but the question is it going to be able to hold it? Obviously, by the way, the thing is, if the 200 level can hold this, it's not going to be 225. It should be going up to the 300s. By the way, just saying. So should be having no problem. There's a form, everybody. Quickly,
Yes.
go for
Get
it.
the form
Good
filled
luck.
out. Let's go.
So
Ooh.
YM, ES, gold, all pumping, and NASDAQ, all pumping.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
5-minute chart just went right off the screen. I need to adjust it. Man,
Hmm.
Huge problems there, right?
that's how much of a pump we got. I would have hit my target on the ES if I'd held. Tom, you didn't tell me.
What?
You didn't tell me to hold my ES trade. Come on, man.
I gave you the perfect entry. I don't know. What else do you want me to do, man?
My entry was way higher than yours, unfortunately.
Uh-huh. Here's the pullback, everybody. So don't worry about it. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna blame you for losing this trade, Myth.
Yeah, you're not gonna lose. You got it. 100%.
Yeah, bulls feel like they're just in control at the moment.
Yeah,
Everyone's getting squeezed on the negative news. You know, they all try to jump in short, and on the negative, the tensions, and the tensions rising in the Middle East again, or they never left, but and then everyone tried to short into that, I imagine, and getting squeezed. So we're looking good.
Oh, longs are getting disappointed on this scandal.
Oh yeah.
It's okay. A little pullback to 75. It's fine.
It's fine. Everything's fine. Nothing
Just
is
breathe.
on fire.
Just breathe.
Just breathe, don't worry about it. It's completely fine.
Just give it a little breathing room. That's all.
Yeah, by the way, that's all really. And yeah, well, the
I
level is
hate
so
it
far
that
so good.
my copy trader kind of like my accounts are uneven. I have 1 at
Oh.
77 and 4 at 125. And so I'm having to re-enter another trade here to even those out because my OCD, my P&L OCD just can't handle it.
Famous last words.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, everybody has those moments, man. Everyone.
Might be an RIP here. Who knows?
Nah.
Yeah.
I probably should have taken it on the NQ, but I took it on ES. Should be fine. I need 4150 to even out the
41.
P&L.
4150. Yeah, we can get there.
Let's
You
go.
copy trade, Myth?
Yes. Yeah, we copy trade.
Usually, how
Always?
many accounts you copy
Always.
trade?
Usually just 5 to 7 at a time, something like that. It one ticked me, guys. Can you guys see that? Come on, bro.
Wow.
Really? How you gonna one tick me there? That's rude.
So rude. I hate when that happens.
Yeah. Well, just be patient. It'll go back up. I know Tom's TP is gonna hit, so
All
You know.
right.
the Tom Sabo guarantee right there.
I wish I would have that. I wish.
Oh,
We're
all this
coming
guarantee
into,
talk, I might want to have to short the market here. No,
Oh,
not
no.
yet.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
I
We
gotta
are
call the
coming
market
into
makers.
the last 10 minutes of the hour here, so we'll see. New
Yeah.
5-minute candle here in 5 seconds.
So,
that-
by the way, speaking of copy trading, Myth, so is it not giving you extra pressure or something? How are you able to handle that? Even just 3 or 4 accounts, you're saying 5 or 7 accounts sometimes. Like, is it
Yeah.
not putting you
That's
into
a
huge
lot.
pressure? That's a lot.
No,
I think.
I just view it as one account.
How you
that's
do
all.
that? Are you a robot from the future or something?
No, you just view it as one account. I mean, that's literally what I think of it as. Try to manage it as one account.
I'm putting a sell stop at 157. If it gets triggered, it'll just go in for a quick scalp on the sell side.
Ooh,
Yeah,
okay.
we'll
Short?
see. For short, yeah, just quick scalp.
One thing that helps me when I'm copy trading is just making sure I have a defined risk. So whether it's $200, $300, $400 or something like that. But if I'm swinging for the fences and trying
Yeah,
to,
I got it.
Let's go.
Oh, let's
Thank
go.
you.
yeah, if I'm trying to swing for the fences and try to pass an account or something like that, and then I tend not to copy trade. But if I am copy trading a bunch of accounts, and as long as I have some sort of defined risk, like, oh, I'm gonna risk $300 on today or $400, and I'm good. But if I like I said, if I'm super discretionary and I'm trying to build up a big pro account or try to get a daily payout on day one, then yeah, I'm not copy trading. I just can't handle it.
Forex Ike is in the chat. He's saying, "Hey Ike, what's up?" He's saying the trick is you must be dead inside.
That's exactly.
Yes.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
You got to be dead inside.
Yeah. Yeah. By the way, yeah, true. 100%. Yeah.
It's really
Oh.
teasing me here.
It's
Not
teasing
wanting
everybody.
to go. We are holding the VWAP though, at least here on the NQ, huh? Starting to squeeze back up. If we get back above the 200s here, we should see a decent sized candle. If we can do it. Can we do it?
Your guys' long is looking good. I hate a market like this. I mean, for me personally, I hate it when it just kind of one direction. I hate it.
Bang! Let's go.
Wow.
Let's go.
But if you're
This is
scalping,
a nice little push.
Now the P&Ls are.
Come on, Myth.
Let's go.
I want my TP, Myth. Do something. I
Now
want
they're
my
spot on.
TP.
Hold on, let me call the
Trump.
person. Wait a second. I
Please,
normally
Trump
call
is
you,
speaking.
Tom. I
Call
normally
the
call
person.
you. I normally call Tom, but I can't call him right now. He's on the thing with me. So
if I go
Alright to call
if
me.
I go max cons with my pro account, funded pro on the short side, then Tom will definitely hit his TP. So should I
Oh.
sacrifice my
No,
funded
don't
pro?
say-
No.
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 No. No.
what you
we're not-
do in the privacy of your home, Pine? That's all on you.
Yeah, that's true.
So. He's probably
yeah.
already short.
Maybe he is, by the way. He's just
No.
not saying. Yeah.
Nope. No real trigger to go short on anything.
On anything.
Not on the 2 minute or the 5 really. I mean, there's no real trigger yet, so we'll let Tom hit his TP and then we'll start looking for shorts.
It should
Almost
go
to
right here.
220.
It should go.
We hit the TP.
Go.
Oh, what a trade!
All right, I'm done.
It was fun. W's for
Oh,
Tom.
yeah. Let's go. This was a good one. Cool.
Let's jump into the round table. Are you guys down?
I'm down anytime. Let's go.
You down, Pine?
Nice trade,
Yeah.
Tom. That was actually
Let's go.
really good
Oh,
trade.
thank you. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
a good trade. I wish I would copy it on all my accounts.
How many points?
Listen,
That was a lot of
guys.
points.
The sun shines on the Tom's. No, wait a second.
170 something points. Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, 170 points. Yeah.
Diamond
trade, great
hand.
trade.
Let's go.
One micro only, guys. One micro. But hey, I made like
Hey.
350 or something dollars on this.
That was
yeah,
amazing.
something like that. Yeah.
Awesome trade.
Yeah, it
All
was
right,
cool.
let's do the round table. The first topic, high probability or better risk to reward. Which is better? Pine?
Well, I like high probability. I like to get the have a higher win rate. But yeah, having a higher win rate just helps me mentally. If I can scalp and still catch what I need for points, that's best for me. It helps me to get in a swing trade like Tom just did, where you have a very high risk to reward. Generally, it's a lower win rate. So to hit 177 points is very it's not that easy. And most things, if you try to back test, you'll have like a 30% win rate or something like that, 20% win rate on a back test. But Tom just proved that, he just banged that trade. But for me, I like the high probability, have a higher win rate, somewhere around 70% to 80%, and then just kind of take those base hits.
Pine likes base hits and high win rate. Myth? What's your
Yeah, I
preference?
think risk to reward doesn't matter at all. I mean, it's very little. It doesn't matter to me at all. I mean, negative R, positive R really doesn't mean much. I like the high probability, especially in scalping. So I typically try to just shoot for a 1-to-1 if I can. Sometimes negative R, like Ike. So you can make an argument for both, right? You can say, oh, if you're a 2R trader, you can have a very low win rate. It really depends on your personality. We go back to personality a lot. I talk about personality a lot because it matters in trading, but for me, for my scalping style, we like the high probability. I want to see more winners than losers. That's it.
Yes, the pew pew trades.
Yes.
Winning feels good. Tom, what's your preference?
Oh, guys, I wish there would be like a third answer somewhere in the middle, because it's really a struggle for me to take a side here. At first, I would say better risk to reward, but I need to say higher probability does matter. So I try to go for, obviously, for good risk to reward. I try to keep it positive, especially on the swing trades. But to be honest, probability does matter more, especially if you're doing the pew trades or scalping. Whenever you see a level, especially on a lower time frame, that, oh my god, this is going to go for that extra 10 points or 20 points, again, especially when you're scalping, I would say probability matters more in this case, especially in day trading. If we were only talking about swing trading, then I would have chosen better risk to reward. But you know, especially at the market open with the pew trades, the quick scalps, the ups and downs, I would say probability matters more. Yes, that's what I say.
Which do you guys think is easier for the beginner trader?
For the beginner?
Yeah.
Well,
risk to reward.
For someone who's
Yeah.
new.
I would say
reward, yeah.
I would say keep a positive risk to reward, because if you can do that, at least you can practice your entry model. So if you're starting out, practice your entry model, do your analysis, and obviously you're going to have losses, but try to keep yourself on that note, because you will start to gain more experience with the chart time. So keep yourself on a positive risk to reward, because if you're starting out and you're going with high probability expectations, then you're just going to jump into all sorts of trades and you will be deviating from your plan. Yeah.
Oh, interesting. So Tom says better risk to reward is better for a new trader. Myth, you also agree.
Well, yeah, you got to, when you're very new, the win percentage, I mean, you have to decide. You don't know whether the win percentage is going to affect your mentality or not yet. So.
All right, let's move on to the next one. Trading alerts or raw price action. Do you set alerts? Is that a thing? Is it important? Is it a good thing? Or do you just watch the charts and wait for the charts to talk to you? Tom?
Oh, again, the answer would be somewhere in the middle, because sometimes I do use alerts, but raw price action. You guys know me, who are watching me on my streams or my analysis. Like I always try indicators. By the way, I'm always testing new things, and I'm kind of looking for certain levels when I get an alert for that indicator, or just looking for a price level to be breached. But you know what? Raw price action is the thing that I love, because the best indicator for me is candlesticks. I think that's the best indicator. So yes, raw price action. Yes, that's what I think.
Tom says raw price action. Pine, what do you say?
I like raw price action. Just, you know, seeing what's right in front of me. I hate having any news. I don't want any news. I don't want any alerts. I don't want financial juice in my ear. I don't want any of it. I just want to see what's right in front of me on the 2-minute chart or in the 5-minute chart, and just be very present on the chart. I'm a big believer in just being present, not trying to look into the future or the past, and just see what the market's going to give me on any given trade. If I hop in long or short, I know that you know, generally my probability is right around 60 to 70%. That's just right where I land when I start pushing the button. And then that just comes from watching or having an account that's longer than a month and looking at the statistics. Usually that's just right where I land. That's where, if I'm trading really well, I'll end up landing right around that 60, 70%. And then all that just comes from is just watching what's in front of me and knowing when to stop and when to walk away green or red. So I just like that raw price action. Final answer.
Ike says, a man after my own heart.
Yeah.
There you go.
Myth, what do you like?
Yeah, I would say price action is king, right? I mean, you can set alerts for certain levels if you want to, but really knowing how it got to that level is an important thing as well, right? If you just jump on the chart and you don't really have that kind of feeling You're not invested in what's going on that day. You don't know how price action's been. Is it choppy? Is it really trendy? That sort of thing. Then you're kind of out of the loop. I kind of compare it to maybe showing up late to like a class at school, right? You walk in, you're disheveled, you don't know what's going on, that sort of thing. When you get an alert, that's kind of how it is. You're just walking in and you're just pressing the button. Being invested in the charts and watching price action, there's nothing that beats that. So I am looking to short 290, by the way.
290?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's for 10
Very
points.
nice. I will argue the side of trading alerts for all of our friends that love alerts. It's fantastic. You set your alert and then you don't have to think about it. You don't even have to look at the charts. It's like, okay, once price, for example, once price hits VWAP, it can alert me and tell me, Terry, quick, take a look at the charts. Quick, it might be a really good short opportunity. Or you can make your alerts as simple as setting alerts for different price levels. So let's say, for example, Myth is saying that he wants to short around 290. We could just set an alert and then we don't have to feel stressed as we're watching the charts. Because honestly, sometimes it might take us a while to get there, if we even get there. So by setting alerts, it does take off some stress, which I should be doing more of. So those are the reasons I would say setting alerts are good.
Right. Good. I like
Yes.
that.
You like it?
Like it. But raw price action is better.
Okay, let's go on to the next topic.
So
Trade
real
the-
quick, I'm short.
Oh, you're short.
Oh,
259, and I'm looking for like 220s. Stops at 286.
The market just did a little breathe on my short there. It didn't get me.
Ooh, I see.
And right now I'm about 10 points in profit, and it's
I like it. It looks good.
okay. Yeah, I'm going to take a scalp off of the break of 229 if I can get it in on time. I like that fair value gap to our left. 229. So,
yeah, this is looking pretty good. There's already 15 points there, 20 points, 2 micros.
Yeah, so your TP is at 220 Pine, right?
Yeah, I'm looking for like that 220 level.
220. Okay, yeah. Because there could be some support around 218 based on the 3-minute. There is an order block kind of thingy down there, which is no problemo, but it could be just gaining some orders down there and then continuing higher. I still think that we're going to continue to the 360s, but yeah, we can drop lower down to the 210 or 200s, something like that.
Previous day close 290. That's why I'm targeting down to. I want to short off that.
are you
Alright.
in now, Myth, or are you waiting?
No, I'm waiting for the 290.
So patient.
Yep. Gotta wait.
That's a skill.
Is a skill. Okay, while we're waiting,
Yeah.
should we go on to the
Yeah,
next?
go ahead.
Oh,
Brackets
yeah.
are in.
Okay, your brackets are in. Trade the news or stay flat. Do you trade the news, or is it better to always be flat before and after, regardless of the news type? Because there are certain news that we can trade with MyFundedFutures. Like there's only certain ones that we absolutely have to be flat for once we're funded. However, the other ones, do you trade it, Tom?
Answer is simple, no. Not that it's a bad thing, by the way. I just don't care. And I really don't, because the news have the immediate effect. For my trading style, it's best to be as far away from the news as possible. So I don't really care, even if I hold the trade, because sometimes I do hold trade through the news, by the way, if I have a swing trade with the micro or something, and if I can trade on that particular funded account, right? So maybe I hold it through, but otherwise I don't really trade it. So I make sure I'm not even at my computer. It's just messing up my mind. I'm not saying, again, please don't be offended, anyone. If you're trading the news, awesome, especially if you're making good results. I just don't like it. That's it. No news.
Okay.
Staying flat.
Tom says, no news. I'm not even near the computer.
No.
Myth?
The only way I trade the news is this. This is the only way we trade
I knew
it.
it, by the way. I knew
Right
it.
there.
I
But
knew
when we're
it.
not wearing that hat, we don't trade it. We just stay flat, because that's what you're doing when you trade the news. Nothing more. So
Yeah.
simple. Stay flat.
stay flat. It's a gamble.
That's right.
You have no idea
100%.
what's going to happen.
Yeah, because if there's positive news, it might go down. If there's negative news, it could go up. You can't. There's no way to know.
No, there's no way to find consistency in that either.
Yeah, exactly.
Pine, what do you think? Trade the news or stay flat?
No risk, no Rari. You trade the news.
Ooh.
Come on. I mean, just, I'm not going to say how to do it, but yeah, I mean, if the account's going to allow you to trade the news and get that big spike in volatility, take some big profits, maybe get to a daily payout in one shot or something, or I mean, who knows? I mean, yeah, trade the news. No risk, no Rari. You got to put the chips on the table, push them all forward, and let it go. Just saying. This trade actually looking decent. It's back about 20 points here. A little off topic here, but it's currently down 240. Entry 260. And it looks like we might get TP here. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Let him cook.
Come on.
Let him cook.
And
getting it?
any second. Oh, come on. It's going to tick me out. It literally ticked me. I'm not joking.
No.
Oof.
I'm just going to take it off here for like 25 points. So let's go.
Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It literally missed it by 3 ticks.
ES did run the previous day high there. NASDAQ has not. So.
Okay.
So yeah, so I say trade the news and get that Rari money.
What do you think
There you
about that, Tom? Pine is saying, go ahead, do it so that you can get the Ferrari.
Oh my gosh! The thing is, so what I'm seeing is that. So it doesn't matter what type of news. The thing is, the market does the opposite thing anyway. So that's what I keep seeing in the last year or two. The market always does the opposite thing. Of course, I do know that there are some bracket order strategies there that you can use and kind of like do this and that. And by the way, hats off to Pine Tree and to anybody else who is trading the news and making results. I burn myself to the absolute ground with that. So no, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. Yeah.
No news. Yeah. No news. Sometimes I will trade the news. I'll hold the position into it. But I prefer not to. It's too stressful.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay, next topic. Daily reviews or weekly reviews? Which one is better? Is it better to end your day, always review all of your trades? Or is it better just to wait until the end of the week? And then it's your weekend activity, your weekend homework. Everything is calm. You have time to do it. What do you think, Pine?
Oftentimes I'll just do the daily review on my trades. What I do usually when I'm done a segment or stream, I'll just kind of look back at my trades and see what I could have done better, especially if I didn't have a very good stream or segment when I was trading live in front of the people. And I'll say, well, what could I have done better? Like should I have waited for my setups? Should I have been a little more patient? Things like that. When it comes to during the weekends, I don't ever review my trades. I just go back and I'll just look at the chart and say, well, yeah, the haramis or inside bars are paying, the combo trades are paying, looking at the 5-minute, 2-minute chart, things like that. That's kind of like my weekend homework. I just enjoy doing that. I just enjoy looking at the chart. Just kind of scrolling through, drinking my hot tea in the morning or whatever it is on Saturday morning, just kind of looking over the charts real quick. But as far as on an everyday basis, it's usually right after I'm done my streaming segments and when I've placed a few trades and say, what could I have done better? And that's usually what I do.
So you do both.
Yeah, I kind of do both. Yeah,
both. Myth.
Yeah, I don't
reviews?
do weekly. Yeah, I don't
No.
do weekly at all. The thing is that the emotions that you are kind of experienced intraday, you need to kind of work through those as soon as possible, right? One of the things I'll touch on here is like when doing a daily or weekly review, guys, just because it's a winning trade doesn't mean it's a good trade, right? So you also got to examine your winners and your losers. Did you break your rules to enter a winner? Just because it won does not mean that it's a good trade. So you should be looking at both winners and losers. I'm very I don't know, I'm very visual, so I keep my trades in my mind throughout the day, and then at the end of the day I just kind of I reflect, and I just I try to tell myself follow the rules, do what you're supposed to do it how you're supposed to do. Don't be stupid, because it's very easy for me to kind of get in a gambling mentality, especially on an eval, and then I'll blow it, and then after the fact I'm just like, what am I doing? So I like to do kind of an in the moment, a daily review, if you will, maybe at the end of the day, and then put it behind me. Because if I review at the end of the month, I'm not going to remember what happened. So put it behind me. It's kind of like missing a shot in basketball. Miss the shot, move on to the next.
Next. Just review it and forget about it. Let's go. Tom, what are your thoughts?
Actually, I 100% agree with Myth, and perfectly said. I couldn't have said it better, by the way. I do add that the weekly reviews, by the way, so I'm going to say daily reviews, but I need to add the weekly reviews are having a little bit different type of purpose, doing some research, getting some data, that's all, a different type of things. The weekly review has a different purpose and a different result. You're doing it for a different reason, but you need the daily reviews. So that's it. Daily reviews, just like Mitch said, you got to look back as soon as possible, reflect what happened throughout the day. The key word, what Mitch said, is the emotion. The emotions are the emotions. So you gotta look back, even if you had a really good day or a very bad day. You gotta look back if you have time. It only takes sometimes a couple of minutes, maybe more. Sometimes I sit at my computer for an hour to look back for the day and just trying to understand what happened. You need to grab that moment until you have those emotions and do the daily review. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Tom says, do the daily review.
Yeah.
Next topic, gradual scaling or milestone scaling. So that is referencing as you're growing your account, do you slowly grow it as it's growing and add contract sizing? Or do you wait until, let's say, you double or triple your drawdown before you start adding? What do you think, Pine?
Well, I as far as scaling, I like to get a good. I'm kind of like I like to get a good start on my accounts, especially where I have no consistency rule, or if I have a consistency rule, I like to hit max consistency throughout the day. So if my account, I kind of like to utilize the contracts that I have and get a good start on a funded account, especially, and that way when I have a nice little buffer going, then I can just look to maybe even keeping that same size going, and it really just comes down to what the market's doing for me. It's like if it's a really slow, if it's a little bit slow, but you're getting some decent moves, maybe you get kind of catching the trend, I like to go in a little bit heavy size and knowing that the market's not going to whip me around when I'm in a heavier size. But if it's a New York Open, I'll tend to size down just a little bit, knowing that any trade that I hop in could go down 50 points in a second, and I don't want to blow an account doing that. So I do like to trade a little bit larger size, and if I have a nice buffer on the account, then yeah, I'm utilizing the contracts that the prop's going to give me. So
Pine does it opposite.
Yeah.
He throws on the contracts right away. Tom, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, so I'm gonna go with milestone scaling. So so I'd like to get to a certain buffer level before sizing up a little bit stronger. Although I haven't really reached like doubling or tripling. Sometimes, I did, but not as many times as I wanted to. But obviously, if I reach, for example, yeah, it's really an example, like double the size of the standard buffer. So example, my buffer goes up to like $4,000 on a 50K account or a little bit higher. Then that's the point psychologically from that aspect, from the mindset perspective, like, okay, I think I can raise my position size. Until then, I'd like to keep my position sizing on a straight level and, you know, not to do anything crazy. And I know there are some A+ setups here and there, and we can categorize those trades if something is a really bad setup but you really want to take it. Obviously I do risk less on those trades, and the A+ setups still get more risk, but I'm not going to like overall increasing the positions there. So yeah, I'd like to reach a certain buffer level, and otherwise I'm not doing anything else.
Okay, Tom says, wait, be patient, wait until you've grown your account a specific amount of money. Myth, what do you think?
So I think it's the answer might be different, considering account type, account size, and also where you're at in your trading journey. Me personally, I'm all about minimums. So I'm never going to double my buffer. I'm never going to triple my buffer. I am going to get to where I need to get to take a payout, and I'm going to pay myself. And I'm going to continue to keep the same size risk, the same size reward for every account, every trade. And it's determined based on the size of the account and the type of the account, right? So I am all about just paying myself. I really could care less about building a larger buffer in terms of that. So I don't really, I'm not going to do the milestone scaling, and I'm never going to change my sizing. I feel like if I'm using an appropriate size to begin with, that's just kind of what I'm going to stick to. So
wow,
that was a very straight up answer. Why?
you stick the same. There we go. Good job, guys. We did the round table.
Let's go.
W's in the chat. Let's go.
We have the quack.
Oh yeah. Let's get this duck going, right?
Let's get it going. Get your ducks ready to
Where
rumble.
is the Tom Sabo duck? Let me see.
Here's the Tom Sabo duck right here. So
good luck.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Let's start it, everyone.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Who's in the lead?
It's happening. Where's the bet duck?
MNQs, I see you trying to pull ahead. Liquidity, quick, push harder. Caveman is in second place right now with Malachi Sean in the lead.
Guys, don't hit the boost too early. Don't hit the boost too early.
Boost, Mr. Delusional, push, push, push.
It's happening. There's the bet. No, where's the bet duck? I don't see it anyway. Look at that. 20 seconds.
Anubis Trades is trying to take over the lead.
Oh, dressed nicely there. Dressed very nicely. Professor.
Marzena is in the lead right now. Anton is coming, bringing some heat. Who will win? Top 10
my
wins.
gosh. Look at that.
Look at there.
Wow.
Congratulations. Top 10 ducks win a free account from MyFundedFutures.
I'm long here, guys.
Let's go.
Let's
Congratulations
go.
again. Top 10.
Woohoo. Quack.
This was so cool. I love it.
Myth is long. This looks like a nice.
Quack.
Yeah, this looks like a nice bull flag. Yeah.
And there was also a bullish order block, so everything looks good to go along, by the way. If this would be the first minute for me to sit down to trade, I would be jumping in and holding it for the 360s, by the way. So it's a really, really good entry around here.
Can it hit? Can it hit?
Of course
All right,
it
out
will.
one. We're going to go break even here.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Free trade.
Free trade. I'm still looking to short 290, by the way.
Oh. All right.
Might get
Let's
tagged
go.
out of the long and tagged into the short.
There's another duck race, you guys. If you didn't win, stick around. There will be another duck race, and the top 20 people will win a free account for MyFundedFutures.
Nice, nice. So up 20
Oh,
points on it right now. See if we can get this squeeze going.
It does
Who's
look good.
squeezing?
I'm gonna take it like right there at 280. That's gonna be about 40 points.
Oof.
That's more than I normally go for, guys. Normally I'm a 10-point kind of guy.
It really looks good.
But Tom, you know, you inspired me today with your 170-point win, so I figure I got to go at least 30% of that.
I wish every day would be like this. Yeah.
Come on, squeeze it through there. You can do it. ES kind of banging his head on the 47 here. It's got to get through there, otherwise we might get stopped. Let's see if this thing can pop. Guys, I don't think anybody took any losers today. That's pretty amazing, right?
Yeah, winning.
All won. Let's go.
We're going for it.
All right, I'm paper hands. I'm going to take it off there. 30 points. We'll take it off. Let's go.
Cheers for Myth.
Good job.
Why not? Why not? Still going to look to short the 290, by the way. Previous day close is a mechanical trade that I normally take. It's got a 60% win rate with a 1R. So I just usually short it with 10 points. 10-point stop, 10-point take profit. So I do have the stop loss a little wider today just because the ATR is a little higher.
Maybe you'll get that 290 Myth for the short.
Yeah, we'll see if it tags us in there or not.
I still believe we will go up to the 360s. Maybe not now. Maybe it's going to happen in the PM session, but it would be great to see that.
I like that area up there for sure.
Yeah.
Oh. The problem that we have right now is, like I said, ES already ran the previous day high there, and it kind of we've sold off every time we've hit this area on the ES. If you go back and look, yesterday we hit the 50s twice, and we pulled back each time. So good cover there. Good cover. I could see that we were struggling to get back above the 47 there on the ES.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it's pulling back.
Yeah, lower high here.
A little bit there. Not too much, but it is going for sure.
It's never tagging me in, guys. Not getting me at the 290. It's not getting me. If you see at these new day opening gaps, we usually have a lot of you usually get a lot of sort of reaction out of those. I think it was Monday, yesterday or 2 days ago, we hit that new day gap from Friday and just sold off. That was the high day. So a lot of times that's kind of what happens in these areas, but we haven't tapped it yet. So I do expect one more shove kind of back into that area, but we'll see.
Yeah, I think we will go down below the 200s for a sweep for sure. One more time. I mean, yeah, as much as I'm seeing it on the 1 minute, there is a small demand zone lower on the 1 minute chart. I'm not saying that it's a crucial level, but it's definitely down there. So yeah, I can kind of see this going down. Who knows?
Well, the midpoint of the opening range there is what, 150. So kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
If you're an initial balance trader, I guess you'd start looking for a long around that 150, right? If it does it in the next 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I think Terry has the look. She's looking to short the heck out of this market.
How did you know?
I just know. I can just tell by this.
I just know.
She's like, I want to short that. She's like bring this puppy down.
Did you short it, Terry? What are we doing?
No, not yet. I'm just watching. I
can see the wheels turning though. I can see the wheels turning.
Yeah, it looks so good so far. Yeah, I'm waiting though. I'm waiting. I'd like to take another scalp. As I mentioned earlier, sometimes I get into trouble if I'm trying to intraday swing. So I'm just focusing on scalping today. And if we can break the 5 minute orb on the south side, I will take that as a scalp.
So like 29,090, that's what you're looking at?
29,090. Yep. I'll put a sell stop right below there and hopefully get a nice scalp in if price gets down there. I love the stops to buy or sell because it's like I can just relax and maybe price gets there, maybe it doesn't. And then if it doesn't get there as anticipated, I'll just cancel it and then, go about my day. But yeah. That's so funny. You know my looks. Fine.
Wow, I can kind of tell by the price action a little bit, because I know you love to short the market. Like if you catch a nice dump, I know
I do.
That's kind of like the bread and butter.
Yeah, I've learned how to long though. I can long now. I can go long.
But one of the things I love about doing the roundtable and MyFundedFutures TV and having everyone, all the different traders on this channel, is seeing how everyone can make money by trading different things. And it's like, I know a lot of people get stuck on like, oh, I have to, got to study this, got to study that. But just find, like Myth talks about this a lot, just find something that fits your personality and your trading style and something that you get excited about to trade every day, and just stick with that. I know a lot of new traders are constantly just strategy hopping and looking for the next new shiny object, but really just you got to find something that fits your personality and be consistent with it. And we just showed it here. Every single one of us trades differently, and we all made money today. So
Yep.
Oh, yeah. And by the way, yeah, that was awesome. Perfect. Because, by the way, the magic word is also like excitement and the passion for trading. If you miss that key factor, then obviously it's going to be a struggle for you to try this business. And there's like, yeah, it's going to be a very short-lived business for you. So you got to have that extra excitement, that passion to try to figure out where this market really wants to go. And, the rest will come. The rest will happen. Your personality will adapt to the market for those strategies that you want to learn or fits your personality better. So it's all about time and patience, and, that's it. But you got to have that excitement and the passion for the market. Right? We need that.
Yes.
Without that, it's not possible.
Yeah, you really need it because you have to stick around. You have to stick around through the tough times, because of course there'll be really good times. And then what happens when it's a tough time? It's the passion, it's the interest in the markets or whatever it is. For a lot of people, it's different. I've heard some people say it's a puzzle. I love it because it feels like a puzzle I'm trying to solve. And then other people I've heard say it's like a treasure hunt. Like I'm looking for the gold, in back testing and to be able to execute. Some people, it's the game. It's every day you show up and it's an execution game, like you're playing a sport. Yeah. Myth, what do you love about trading?
Well, I love the ability to be able to kind of be your own boss, stay home. Like, we talk about don't quit your day job, but like everyone on this panel here, we have other incomes, right? We have other sources of income, but not having to sort of answer to anybody, being able to do this anywhere in the world, right? If you travel, you're able to do this still, that sort of thing. That's what I love about it, being able to attend, all my family functions of all the kids and everything like that. So that's what excites me about trading, just kind of being able to make the money as needed and go from there. So
The freedom.
Yes.
Yes, I see Ike and Corey are backstage and they're ready to join the party and give you guys such a great show. Any quick last minute thoughts before we head out? Tom?
Well, I gotta say that the roundtable is really awesome. I just love talking about you guys with all these different things, and just like Pine says, it's so amazing to see that we are approaching the market in the different ways, and we can all, make profits and make money. And this is one of the beauties of day trading. So I'm just grateful to be here. Thank you for the vibes, everybody in the chat, and thank you for Abhishek and Nate and Trevor, Magnus, Aaron, everyone. A great crew and great team. Good to be here. So thank you.
Thank you, Tom. Myth?
I'm happy to be here and I appreciate everybody, and let's just keep doing it.
Let's do it. Pine, last minute thoughts?
I just want to thank everyone, Myth, Tom, Terry, everyone in the backstage, and I'm excited to watch Ike and Corey. Guys, don't go away. Smash the like button. I see we're almost at 300 likes, and more giveaways coming, so stay tuned.
Yes, stay tuned. There will be another duck race, and there will be 20 people. Top 20 in the duck race will win a free prize. Yes, free account from MyFundedFutures. Thanks so much, you guys, for tuning in. This was a blast. Thank you, Tom, Pine, Myth. Thank you, all of our producers. We will be back on tomorrow. Please welcome Ike and Corey. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
We back like we never left. We are back.
Man, I had my daggone mic muted. What an epic fail.
Me dude, we are back, baby. We're back at it. So where are you? I'm see that background looks a little different today than usual.
Man, so I'm down here on my church trip, man, with my pastor, man. So I was like, I can't miss the stream for my brother, though, man. We gotta bring the mobile setup. Let's get it.
Right. Beautiful.
Let's
love
go,
it. Love
man.
it. So yeah, let's get started on the day here. Have you taken any trades yet today, or are you still looking for a setup here?
I'm waiting, man. I decided to wait it with you, brother, man.
Yep. Same. So I'll do my usual where I mark up my chart on the 30-minute, and let's see if we can catch a little ICT action, a little closure below, a little wick rejection area. You know how we do.
Man, first of all, man, we gotta greet the people, man. It's been a while since I've done this, man.
That's
hey,
true.
Man, stretch our hands out wide. Let's greet each other, man. Lean that head back and say, what's happening? What's up?
What's good, chat? I see in the chat we got Hitchman, OMHV, Ezra Man, Rod Trades. Let's go, everyone. Let's go.
Look, we couldn't miss it. We couldn't miss being the setup with you, man. It's the great thing about being a full-time day trader, man. Bring the mobile setup to the what you call it? Airbnb.
Airbnb.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing. I might be going to London in September, so that's my plan. Bring the mobile setup and keep it going in London, in the UK. Get some crumpets, man. Grab a couple crumpets.
Yes, sir.
So let's see.
I'm liking this, brother. I'm take a bow right here, man.
Yeah, to fill the range up pretty much to like the to the 80s, 70s, 80s.
It looked good. I gotta take it, man.
Okay. I'm hunting out these wick rejection areas now, so once I mark up my 30-minute and I'm looking for closures, I'm also looking for, price action like they were talking in that last segment. It's really like you're looking what price did before, and pretty much we're anticipating something like that to happen before. So again, so I see price come into the yellow and it pops back up to pretty much this yellow for now. So yeah, a buy up to like the 70s. I like that.
I see the same thing on your chart. Same thing I'm looking at right up there where your yellow box is. I'm trying to see if I can get 100 out of there. We'll see.
I'm going to try a little ICT. I started, do you ever trade on Tradeovate? Like do the Tradeovate program, or you trade on really on TradingView?
TradingView, because I trade mostly from my phone, man. Tradeovate sucks on phones.
Yeah. Because what I've been messing with now on Tradeovate the last day was it's called OCO, which is order cancels order. I don't know if everyone knows about that or how to set it up, but because you know how I do my ICT where I'm going for 4 points real quick. So what I'm doing now is I'm making it where after 4 points, it automatically sells, let's say 50% of whatever I'm doing, and then moves my stop loss to break even. And then the next TP is 4 more points away. So it's kind of like I'm letting a runner run and moving my stop. So we'll try to catch a couple of those today too, because I got that set up. So OCO, Grok helped me set it up. I didn't know how to set it up. I said, Grok, how do you do this? And it's like, oh, just do that. I was like, okay, I like that.
Well, maybe I got in on a bad entry, man. But as soon as I got in, what happened? Let's go to the bathroom. Come on.
Don't worry, I got the pen ready just in case.
Oh my gosh, keep it on deck, bro. I don't know what type of day we're gonna have, man. Here we go.
And what I'm trying to do today, this is that same 25K account from last week. From earlier this week. I need to make I think another 300 in it, and then I could take a daily payout. That's the beauty of these rapid accounts now on code YouTube. I think you could get one of these for like $55 or something right now, like that cheap for a 25K account. Try it out. Try out some ICT, or I kind of like a wick fill here too, right? Like that wick going up. I kind of like that, but I'm waiting a bit. Oh man,
I lost that trade.
Bah! Sound effects are on point.
Hey, they do, man. They be lit.
So let's see. Right now, I'm looking at the 15-minute candle really for my ICT. I'm looking to get into something here, but I need this body to be a little bit bigger. Like it just kind of is it's not looking strong enough for an XCT. And like I always say, a big part of trading is the trades you avoid, not the trades you take, right? Like, so it's like when I start seeing something that smells like a setup, even if it might not be, but a bad setup, I mean, like that I'm getting set up, I'm just like, you know, I'm going to just sit my cup back and back up off it for a minute. Like, I'm going to wait and see what happens. Of course, now it's running. Are you getting back in?
No, I'm gonna wait till I'm gonna see if it come get this full gap fill on a 3-minute time frame, man. I don't like that I started off like that, man. As soon as I got in, man, the market makers was like, oh, bathroom break.
So
I'm gonna wait,
on my
man.
screen right now, I put in that OCO order. So you see it automatically. I got my sell limit here, and then it's got to take profit for for 6 of them there. Hold on, let me make sure this isn't. That doesn't look right. That does not look right. Let me see.
So what you thinking about, getting in for a sell or a buy, brother?
You know, I kind of like I kind of got to see where this 5-minute closes, because right now it's like messing with this support / resistance, and I'm trying to see, like, if it closes below, I'm good for a sell. If it closes above, I think we come back to this yellow up here at that 270, you know, that 270 area.
Okay.
Because like, you know, we see the, you know, we draw these out all the time. We see this ping pong, right? Like, we're literally going like yellow.
Yeah.
This one kind of failed here. So now it's like, what happens with this candle here? Are we going to keep going up, or is it going to start respecting? And then let's see what happens.
It's like we ranging right in between this white line and ranging in this white line. It's like you can't pickpocket, man. I'm trying to pick that joker apart, but I don't know. Hey, brother, hold up. Y'all get the likes up, man. I'm gonna like the video, man. Shout out to my sis Terry, my brother Tom, my brother Pine Tree, brother Methodical Man, and then my brother from another mother right here, 4X, man. Y'all go ahead and like the video, man. We turned up today, man. Trying to make some money, y'all.
Trying to make some money over here, you know. So let's see what we got going on. Chad, how are you doing today? Did you copy some of those trades earlier, or follow any of the ones from the earlier segment? Because there were just W's going on. I think Tom caught a 170-point trade. 170. The way I'm catching 170 is if I get in the trade and then my phone falls in the toilet and I can't reach it, or I fall asleep. I bent down to get my phone. I hit my head and I passed out. And I woke up and I went on 170 points. Listen, I'm not him, you know. I just can't.
That's crazy.
Crazy, yeah. I mean, here I am looking for a quick 4 or 6 points. He's rolling one. He's going 170, but so let's see. I need a little closure here on this candle. Like, it's too much indecision here. And you know, when I see the indecision, even if I'm liking a buy or a sell, I'm just like, let me wait on another 5-minute here. You know, like, I don't want to. But I do like these rejection areas. Let's see what happens here. See if we can come down to 195 here. I would do a little XCT from the.
I'm pretty much like a mannequin right now. What's that? I forget that challenge they used to do. I'm plankton right now.
Oh yeah.
I'm ready.
So let's see.
No trade yet.
That do will wake us up.
Yeah,
that's right.
man.
We're giving away 20 accounts. So everybody watching, 20 account giveaway on the duck race. So top 20 get an account. So you get in it, get your friends in it. Let's do it. 20 accounts. So stay tuned. That's coming toward the end.
Y'all better go like that video, man. Tell your mom, your pops, your meemaw, your pawpaw, your cousin, your second and your thirds, man. Go let them know.
Let them know, man.
Come on, man.
Look at all these wicks. It's like, the problem for me now is I'm getting wicks on both sides. Pause. Like, there's just like, I need some wicks to get filled so that I can have a new target here, because you're
man.
You know, and for chat, there's nothing wrong if you're not sure on you're getting mixed signals on your entry. You just wait. Just wait. Like, you're not being forced to get into a trade today, right? Like, or at this time. Like, so we wait for our setup, and we catch it. But I mean, with just judging by these wicks, something is brewing, right? Like, we're gonna be moving somewhere. you know?
It's either finna take off or go downstairs, man. Either one.
I mean, if we come down into this area and respect this support I have at like 195, I would like a buy, because for me, I'm expecting yellow to keep bouncing to yellow until, of course, we close below. So if we can close above that or near it, I would like a buy to fill the range back up here. And then if we close below, I'd be anticipating price to continue lower. So that's where that's what I'm looking at right here.
If this thing can come down here past this white line, fill this 3-minute gap up, I'm finna tag in for a buy, bro. I'm gonna get in for a $200 trade. Oh, did it miss it? Oh, I'm in. Oh man,
Come on.
That. Come on.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
Ooh, boy, is it just not the day?
These candles are
nasty, man.
Yeah. Let's see. Come on, nice turnaround here. Let's go. This is a good way for it to pop. We're right off the EMA.
Yeah.
You know,
we broke previous structure, looking for a little bit of buying pressure. Just a little bit, just a touch, just a little bit. Come on.
Yeah, I'm waiting here. I've got my finger on the mouse, ready to click like a buy stop. But let's see, maybe a little buy up. So let me look at your screen real quick. Nice. Yes.
Come on.
Let's go.
I ain't gonna put it at break even yet.
Come on.
Send it up. Keep going.
Send it.
What I don't want this thing to do is reverse on me, man. That's what I don't want.
Let's see.
And it looked like it. Ooh, you are so dirty, man.
Man. Come on.
Gosh, look at this. Look how close it was to TP. Man.
I know.
Here we go. Come on, NQ, man.
Yeah, so chat, while we're watching this and looking for our setup and waiting, any questions, anything you guys are seeing or looking for, let us know. I'm always down to learn something new and see what you guys are up to in trading.
I'm moving my stop loss up. I don't trust this. I think I missed it.
I'm trying this OCO here.
Unless they give me a good pump right now.
All right, let's send it. Let's do it.
All right. Yeah, that's quick.
There we go. There we go.
Come on.
Yeah, I put it in an order here, but I'm going to cancel it because there's a new 15-minute candle about to form. Hopefully that gives a big pop too. Let's go.
Back above. Come on. Man, it's playing around.
Quit
playing with me, man. Dang.
Congrats in the chat. I see there's been some winners. See that? We just giving away accounts over here.
Man.
We're giving away accounts. You're learning different strategies that you could try out. Find one that vibes with you. I mean, what else? Where else are you going? Where else are you going?
Where else is that happening? Shoot, 50% off on pros, rapids, and builders. Bob the Builders.
And the rapid account, which is I think 55 bucks, maybe less with the code YouTube, but I think it's around 55. Here comes that push. Come on.
You see, ooh, that's nasty. Ooh.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm 0 for 2. Man, we're going to keep losing? Come on. All right.
That's it. We get those out of the way. We're getting those two out of the way.
Man.
All right. Men in Black style right now. Sir, please look over here. There you go.
Yep.
Hey, welcome. It's 10:30, Corey. You didn't take any trades yet. We're about to go see what's setting up.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. Back at
Let's
it.
see.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. So, yeah.
What's up?
Exactly. Let's find out what's going on today. No trades taken, and let's see if we can win a couple. Let's see what's going on over here. See if we can catch something. With my XCT, I'm looking at this candle now. I want it to be close to 20 points, which we're getting to. Maybe a little. If it breaks its own high one more time, I would place my sell limit here. Let's see. Okay, that's a nice little break over there. All right, let's give it a...
You see, I'm shaking my head, bro. Look.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I'm gonna try a little sell limit over here.
Here we go.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh,
Oh boy.
Man.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Now looking at this after I'm in it, of course, I see where, you know, where I really maybe should have stayed away from this. Like all these wicks here, right? All I always do is talk about how wicks get filled. So to take a short right in front of these wicks is not a great strategy. Now, I wouldn't be against it if, let's say, I took a couple W's already today and I'm playing with some profit and saying like, okay, I got the profit. I could take a little bit of an L here and take a shot. But being that I am not in profit and it's my first trade, okay, there we go. We took one. See, this is supposed to move my stop to break even on this. So I took 6. Okay. So it's still a dub, but how much did I get on that one?
Good
pretty
dub,
much
man.
BE, I would say. It's pretty much BE, that one, to be honest. Let me just...
Well, if you look at my screen, look what happened to me again. Woohoo!
Oh, did you just take a buy over there?
No. This was the trade I was just in. Look
Oh, yes. Oh, I thought you forgot about it. I gotta change the batteries in this thing. I gotta change these batteries. It's not working. XCT. So that was not really a double. That was not really. It was $6. So I'm gonna count that as a B.
Man, that's a dub, man. Hey, $6 is $6.
$6, yeah.
Shoot.
$6 after commission. So, but look, we're in a new rejection area. What's looking to become a new rejection area for me. Man, these candles are just too big that you could be so right still, but because they're moving so much, it just shakes you out before. Because like, how much drawdown? You know, you can't just go in there with like unlimited drawdown. Even, you know what I'm saying?
Facts.
You just can't do it like that. See if we can catch another one. Let me see about another XCT right at this high. See.
Well, that down there did what I wanted to do. If it come back up here, then I would look for it to go tap this red liquidity box. Man, I don't trust it. Very rare that I'm not seeing nothing.
Yeah. No, I feel like it's because these candles are like too out of whack where they're going past, or like there's not a chance to get in these, like, so yeah, I'm gonna let this XCT here sit here for a second, maybe throw one on the bottom too. Let's see what this candle's looking like. Also, I'm keeping in mind that we're getting close to the hourly candle here, especially on the 15. So I'm gonna start being a little more cautious here on my trades. Maybe cancel a trade a little bit earlier if I have to. Just because I'm scared. I'm mad enough to admit it. I'm scared of those hourly candles. Especially in this in this environment.
And I'm over too. I'm kind of like hesitant now, man. It jacked me up already. So it's like, what do I do?
See where's your next rejection zone that you have? Like where would you normally look for a buy or a sell here? You're in that yellow box down there.
So if it can get to this yellow box down here where I'm pointing at, if it can right there, I would look for this thing to sell, because we under the 9 and the 20 EMA, and every time we try to go up, it's not going up here. So if we get down there, I'm gonna just go with the selling pressure. If we get up here, I'm gonna look for the buy pressure to go up here and grab this liquidity, this wick up here. So I mean, I'm stuck.
Yeah. All right, we gotta wait. Sometimes we just gotta wait.
Yeah, man.
I see Aaron in the chat said that if we could get to 500 likes, He's going to give away another account or something like that. I just saw him say if you guys get it to 500. So guys, smash these likes. Remember, we're giving away 20 accounts soon. So, you know, tell some friends, get some friends involved here. 20 accounts, man. And it's a great, you know, when you get a free eval, it's a great way to like try out a strategy, especially like on micros or something, to give it a shot and see how it works out, where you're not risking any money of your own. You know what I mean? So
Yeah,
I just canceled that trade just because I've seen this big push here. I'm like, well, so I just canceled that.
All right, I'm in for a sale, man.
All right, let's go. Yeah, I can see it's coming down to 173-ish, you know?
I'm in for a sale. Man, we need some type of continuation. Come on.
There we go. Come on, push it down. Man, price is just messing with us today, man.
Yeah, I'm getting bamboozled around here.
Chat, we need some good vibes here. All right, chat, let's send some vibes here for the market makers. They're messing with us today, man. They're messing with us.
I'm getting cooked. I'm 0 for 3, baby. Keep going. Man. Woo, I'm getting cooked, boy. Rotisserie.
Get those 3 out the way. It's all uphill from here, man. Come on. It's crazy though. It's like, because it still will come down probably, but it's just these candles are so big that they're moving up and down 100 points. Man. It's pretty tough to get in that. Let's see. Yeah, I can't even find an entry because these candles are like bigger than my support and resistant. You know, like they're almost like, what do I do here? But that's the beauty about the market, man. We just wait and then your setup shows up, right? Like it's
I'm trying to see where we at on the likes, man. Y'all come on, get the likes up, guys.
Yeah,
we got 325 likes, man. Come on, y'all. Y'all like the video for your boy.
Come on.
Forex Night, Corey the phone trader in the building. Let's go. Oh, doodle. Man, finally, we got some type of breathing room. A doodle.
You know what that means. You know what that means.
Gosh.
Let's see. Yeah, man. Normally by this time, we're seeing some decent setups, decent ideas, and like, you know, it's a little bit of a. Okay, look, everybody, the link has been dropped. The link has been dropped in the chat. Fill it out. Got to be present to win, so make sure you're in the chat here. Doodle.
A doodle.
Brain rot race. Oh, a brain rot race. Oh, I got to practice those names again. Tung Saha, Cappuccino Bombarino.
I have no clue what y'all talking about when it comes to that, man.
You know, that's good. It's good. Like, I only know that. I shouldn't know that. I shouldn't know these things. Like, you know, I never told anyone else, but on this chat, I feel like we're all family here. So I can say I do know all these brain rot names, but I shouldn't. I'm a grown ass man. I should not know that.
I should have no clue.
Yeah. Good. That means you're doing the right thing.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah. Let me see. I'm gonna for the race. Like all those guys had names. That shark with legs. Remember that one last time? There was a shark. I think his name is like Bombardino, Sharkacino. Like they all got weird names. But
I think the last duck race we did, it was a catfish that won.
Yeah. Man. Catfish mandagicho.
Man. Mamma mia.
I see. The shark's name is Tralalero Tralala. Got it.
What the heck is that?
Yeah, see that writing it. Sia knows in the chat. I see that, Sia.
What the world?
Yeah, no, it's best not to know about it. But yo, it's gonna be a fun chat. I'll be naming out the people. If you see a coffee cup, his name is Cappuccino Assassinino. Okay, so just be careful for that guy. He's an assassin, so look out.
That's bananas, bro.
Okay, we got 5 minutes left on this hourly candle. So unfortunately, like these candles just look crazy to me, man. You know me, I like looking at chop, and this is not chop. This is not it. And it's not even going in any real direction because look at these wicks. You think it's going down, but these candles are 272, 75 points, 80-point candles. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's a weird day. I thought it was some weird. There was a Trump tweet earlier. Then there was like some other new news. So it's like, And earnings are coming out tonight, I think, on Tesla and a few different tech companies. So the market's also preparing for all that. So, you know, there's some weird activity going on. Let's see. See, I kind of would like a buy over here. I'm not taking it just because of the time. But I do like a buy just because price respected the support over here. It kind of bounced off the EMA. I would have put like a buy stop once price started turning around. I kind of like it, but to come back up to this yellow, but I'm not taking it just because it's 4 more minutes left. So I'm going to just sit out. But this is a trade that if it was 8 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, I would have ended up taking this. You know, and of course, this is what, 30 points, 28 points. I would have been out by right here, 10 points already. This is where I probably would have gotten out. But yeah, it's like I just don't mess with the hourlies. Even though I see it work out a lot of times, it's not worth those L's when you have it, you know. So I just stick. That's my plan is. And so even when I see it work out, like a time like this where I could have just scooped a quick 10, it's like, hey, what about those times where you get popped? And that's what, you know what I mean? Got to remember that.
Man, I'm so like, nope.
But yeah, and then yeah. See, this was kind of like that fake out, this big red candle fake out, right? We're just chilling in the range. Everyone's minding their business in the range. This guy comes in like, so everyone's like, oh, we must sell here. And then this green guy just does the exact opposite, right back in the range. And then back to test the range, boop, boop, boop. So yeah, this trade would have worked out here for about 25 points so far. So if anyone took it, you're better than me, you know, but these are the things I look at. So, you know, the most important thing that when I'm streaming here, trying to talk to people is I want them, even if I don't take any trades because of the timing's not right for me, whatever, if you get what I'm thinking and looking for, you can do this at any time of the day, right? Like it's the same thing. I'm just not taking that to hourly, but I could still give this example to you guys, see what we're doing here.
So I'm getting in, man. I'm gonna give it another shot. Look,
right.
God dang. See, it didn't trick me again. So I was thinking when we get another rejection again, and now we'll pop out of it finally.
Come on.
Ooh-wee. I'm taking chances, and I'm getting cooked.
This market. Hey, J Trades in the house. J Trades, let's go. Whew. Damn.
Yeah.
The market is after you, man. They are after you.
Yeah.
They are after you.
I'm.
What the?
I need.
Gosh.
I need everybody to look here again.
Ooh,
everybody.
Come on, man.
All right, it's 10:30 now. And then you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna fall right back down. You already know.
Yeah.
You already know.
I thought I could catch you. It ain't working. It's all good, man. I'm having fun with my brother, y'all, man.
Exactly.
Cooked.
Mac Trades, what's good? What's good? Good to see you in the chat. Good to see you in the chat. For me right now, I'm waiting on the hourly candle's about to close, and I'm probably gonna wait 2 or 3 more minutes into that new candle before I take any trades, just because you know me. I'm cautious with it. I'm cautious. You know. So yeah, lots of times I miss out on taking a winner just because it's kind of against my plan, and that's really what you got to stick to. What you see is working, right? Like that's what I got to stick with. But at the same time, when you see a trade happening that's with your plan, you got to take that too, right? That's part of the plan. You got to take those trades. All right, we closed above support here for me, or resistance turned support. So I'd like this. I'm kind of seeing this to fill the range, but I would need a retest first. So right now, especially that it's the first minute of the first candle, I'm just waiting. I'm going to see what happens here.
Yeah.
See where we go. But we are looking like we're going to fill this range in all these wicks, you know? You know these wicks love to get it. Wicks love to get filled, you know?
This is where I originally wanted to go for a buy, but man, I'm going to get jolted around again, I feel like, man. I feel like I am so bad, bro.
I mean, I like the buy up to 275 too. I just gotta wait a bit. But yeah, you know, Corey, we I think every profitable trader has many days where you just feel like this can't even be real life. Like,
Yeah,
how am I
man.
getting popped that quick every time? Like, I mean, I know I've
Yup.
been there, and you know, after a trading session like that, I'll go take a walk, I'll go take a breather, I'll go
Mhm.
watch some brain rot, learn about Tung Tung Tung
Not the
Sahar.
brain rot.
Yeah, I'll go watch some Rasa Pipi Medusa City. I'll watch some Lira Lila La La La. You know, like I'll just
Man.
get lost in that. And before I know it, I'm like, what was I even doing? How's it 3 days past? I've been scrolling TikTok. How's my battery last that long? You know, I'll just go into it. So let's see what we got here. We got this candle, a minute and a half has gone through on this candle. So I'm going to give it another minute or so. And then let's see, maybe a little ICT. We are going up to that rejection area. So, man, so what you got on the agenda today for with the church?
So today, man, we plan on eating breakfast as soon as I get off here, and everybody here loves going to Walmart. I don't know
Of
what
course.
it is about Walmart, man. They can't, man. My wife and my kids they ought to have a bed in there, man.
Well, they sell them. They sell them there.
Man, just create your own bed in there.
I mean,
But
Walmart is incredible. It is incredible.
Oh
you
my
know?
gosh, man.
Yeah, all the people in the chat, if you're not from the US and you haven't been to a Walmart, I mean, I think like when someone first
Jeez.
sees it, they can't even believe it. It's like,
Man.
how could that even be? Let's see. All right, we're about 2 minutes into this candle. Let's see. I'm not against taking a little.
I want to buy so bad, bro.
Yeah, I kind of see it pushing up there. If we can get a retest of my of this support, I would do a buy stop at the flip of the candle. So if this can't, what are you getting into?
I'm going, Ike. I might. I said I might. I'm going in, Ike, man.
Let's
I'm
do
going
it.
in, man.
Let's do it.
Trying to perform some surgery, man.
Let's do it. I got a little sell limit at 268, and then a quick pullback that I'm going for. So let's go. There we go.
Come on, man. You know what? Look, you see, as soon as I moved it, all right. I'm finna trail this joker, man. All right. We got a little bit. All right. I'm out.
Nice.
Oh, get me out. Okay, I'm out. Finally.
Let's go.
Finally, man. Jeez, I'm getting rotisserie.
Oh, there we go. All right.
Let's
So we got
go.
a
Good
quick
job,
ICT
man.
on that over
Good
there.
dog.
Quick
Good
W
dog. Good
there.
dog. Good dog.
Where we at for the day on this account? Okay, we're up $50 on the day. Nothing crazy, but you know, $50. We got to wait for our entries. That's how we do it. I mean, I'm not too good. I'm not against going for this one more time. Actually, I'm gonna put another sell at the
I
top.
was just finna say the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, let's do it again.
I was just finna say the same thing. I'm thinking about getting in for another quick buy, man.
Let's see. I've got a sell at 274 for a quick little pullback. Okay, I'm in a quick sell here. Got out, stops to break even automatically.
Let's go.
So what happens here is I'm doing 6 contracts. Automatically, 4 of them getting filled at 4 points. Then then right away stop auto moves to break even, and the remaining 2 at 8 points. So I'm going for like a net of, you could say, 6 points now instead of 4. So that's where we're going for. Let's see. Okay, so that was at break even, still a W. I mean, that's once we hit that first, it moves to, oh man, moved it to BE too soon, but there we are. So all right, we're up about $80 right now. I gotta say, this move's so nice, I might go for it thrice.
That's nice. That's what's up, brother. Let's go, man.
Let's see. I'm doing it again, chat. So far, chat, really my entries I've just been selling the top of this candle as it moves up. for a quick pullback. So
Okay. All right, I'm in again, brother. I'm in again. Woo, there we go. There. There we go. Okay.
Nice. I'm about to get cooked, but you cook it.
Man, turn around. Come on, man.
Go. All right, I'm getting ready to put this L for me over here.
Man, it's all good, man.
Yeah. I mean, it's part of the game. Like the way my strategy works is you're supposed to take L's, just not too often for my negative RR, right? Like as long as I'm winning like 8 out of 10 of my trades, I can take these L's, you know, like that's how it's pretty much how it's built out. Let's see. Man. All right, we out of this, right? Almost. It's teasing. There we go. Okay. Womp womp.
All right, brother. I'm getting ready to do another one, man.
Another buy? You getting another buy, or are you doing a sell?
No, I'm getting ready to get in for a sale at this 30-minute liquidity zone that's up here.
Yeah.
This yellow box. This see, we haven't gotten a tap on this 30-minute liquidity zone yet. We had this all the way back, Tuesday. So it hasn't touched yet again. Oh, see, that ain't good. I'm looking for a touch and then give me a quick sale, man.
I'm also looking for a sell kind of on the top of this candle. I'm just like, how high is it going to push though before it, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause it's pushing a little bit.
That's exactly what I'm seeing, but hopefully it'll tap this box, you know what I'm saying, and give me a little decent profit right quick.
And at the same time, if this closes in 2 minutes above support and we retest this, if we retest this, I would do a buy, because right now, even though prices moved up pretty much 100 points in the last 15 minutes, I don't think price is turning around till it turns around, right? So until then, I'm saying like things are looking bullish, right? Like until I can get some type of reason to think of a sell, besides for like that quick rejection zone or hitting there, we're thinking of keep climbing. Let's see.
That's crazy. You going one way, I'm going the other way. That's crazy.
Look, you know, the beauty about it when I'm just going for 4 to 5 to 6 points is we could both be totally right? Like a 4-point pullback for me to get out and then still goes your direction. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So let's see. So you got your sell where at 299. You know, I like that.
Yep, 299.50, man. This is my bread and butter on the liquidity zone. It's got to tap and then like get a quick rejection, man.
Yeah. Let's see.
Man, it's playing with my entry. It's playing. Come on, come tap it right quick. Come tap it.
Let's see. Oh,
there you go. I'm in. All right. What you gonna do now? What are you gonna do?
Yeah, I'm jealous. I want to be in that too, really. That would have been a nice pullback.
Oh,
look at that.
There we go.
Come on.
All right, I took some.
Take that 70.
I got some. I took some money back. I made what? How much off that? I made about $50 off that. I'll take it, man.
Let's go. See, I'm gonna try to get in pretty much that same sell that you did. Pretty much at 299. I'm gonna just try it again.
Okay.
Let's see. See if we come back up and test it again.
Y'all come on, hit the like button, y'all, man. We getting it over here, man.
We getting it, the turnaround, the comeback.
Yeah, man. Thank you for erasing my memory.
It's a pleasure.
Man.
Come on, guys. Pump those likes. Pump those likes.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh. Okay, I'm in.
It's all good.
Need a quick pullback here. I need it quick.
Let's go.
Quick. Almost. Oh, bro. Don't do it to me.
Come on,
that.
Go down now.
There we go. Okay, so I got 4.
I
got the partial. Why didn't the stop loss is not working the way it's supposed to. I'm gonna just move this right now here.
Okay.
Nice. Still dubs.
Okay. Good dub, baby.
W.
Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Man, what a turnaround, man.
Yeah.
Man.
Now, because I trade such negative RR, I'm still down like 110, but I don't anticipate losing again for a while, right? Like that's the whole when you got a big win rate, that happens. You take a hit. I mean, I've done this on stream before where my first trade would be a big L and I just keep it going and you make your way back. Like you have to be able to take L's. If a strategy means one L and you blow the account, you're bound, you know where you're headed, right? Like
man.
You only get lucky so many times, right?
Yeah.
Nice that you got out of that trade over there, right? You already took your money on that.
I already knew because I was when you were saying that we both know that the buying pressure is crazy.
Yeah.
So normally when it hit these liquidity zones, I got to be quick or else I would have been losing.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's crazy. It's pushing. Not against another sell though. I gotta say, it's like I like how these candles are pushing, but then they're pulling back. They're not like running through it. You know what I mean?
You see where where if I get into a sale, the only reason I get in for a sale is up here at what 337.25, something in there. Oh no. Oh, I'm supposed to be in this. Oh,
you can still get
I'm
in,
missing
right?
it.
Getting a
Yeah, I'm finna get in. This is my setup. I wasn't even paying attention. Oh, hold up.
Just respecting going into the liquidity zone and then pulling right back. Just pretty much to take its chunk and go. I like it.
I got a 3-minute sell signal, man, and I got in at the wrong price because I was running my mouth, man. If I get a signal around the 30-minute liquidity zone, that's it. It's win or lose. I'll take that, but that's my setup.
Yeah, I like this coming back down. I mean, on my chart, we tested this resistance, which was the 312 area. And then we started pulling back right away. So to me, we're respecting resistance, which usually means we're going to go retest support next, so see how this candle closes and what it does next. But
I got to live with the results, man.
Market Mommy in the house. What's up, Market Mommy? I see you, twin.
Oh, okay. That's what's up.
That's it.
Yeah, I see that, Mark. Yeah, I see that. Mommy, that's what's up.
Get this negative RR going over here. Hopefully catch another one. We'll see what happens. Don't forget, guys, we got that race coming soon. We got that brain rot race. Tong, 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 sahur. Coming at you.
That's funny. A doo-doo-doo.
Brain or kidney race? A kidney race? What is that?
Dang, man, what's going on?
Kidney race. I got to get my TikTok up. If I should know what that means. Make it a kidney. I have two. There we go. Torn said. Tung 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 sahar. There we go. Demarsh says it. He knows it.
What in the world? That's crazy word.
So yeah, right now I need a closure before I can get into something. Just because price is like it tested the support, the resistance, and now it's kind of chilling. Like it's not talking to me. I'll tell you, but I would like the next candle. If candle closes around here, I'd like this next candle to retest support at 275-ish. Then I'd put a buy stop probably at like 290 to ride this back up and ride that wick. Pause, go all the way up and fill the range. That's kind of what I'm looking at.
That was the funniest one today. Shout out to my brother, man. That's what's up, man.
That's it. Let's see.
Dang.
Come on, guys. Share, like. There's an extra giveaway when we get more and more likes. You guys know that. Like, I mean, you guys know this. You're trying to test some liquidity zones. You're trying to test some negative RR. Trying to test something. What's better way to test it than on a free eval? Back testing, everyone wins on back testing. You got to forward test. And forward testing with a free eval is the way to forward test. You know what I mean?
I'm going to try to hold this, man, but this thing playing around, man.
Pushing.
Yeah. I mean, that's my setup. I got to take that, though, man.
I'm gonna put in a sell stop over here, just like support and resistance trade over here.
Yeah.
just because we're respecting support. Okay, I'm in the trade now. We're respecting we were respecting. Let's see what happens. And I'm looking for this kind of to fill the range back down here. Support and resistance. I'll probably risk, what's this at? I'm in at 305. I'll probably go up to like 330 or so before I close this. Put a buy over here. So I'm in or if I get a closure above here, I'm going to probably cancel it out earlier because I'm liking this as a sell just because it looks like we're respecting. But, you know, obviously once it got me in, I'd want price ideally to keep pushing down. But let's see.
Yeah.
Let us see. Let us see.
And I might have held on this for too long, man. It keep respecting this 9 EMA, but man, I really thought that this mug would come down here and retest the 3-minute top of this liquidity zone at least.
Yeah, I'm hoping we're both in shorts here, so I'm hoping your TP's at 275. Yeah, that would be lovely.
Yeah,
let's do it.
And I might have to take profit at like 285 though, because I don't know.
Yeah, right now I have my TP at like 286. You know.
Yeah.
And my stop loss is going to be at 330.
Okay.
So, and I got in at 305. So pretty much like a 25, 26 point stop loss. And I'm aiming for about 18 points. So again, negative RR. I'm risking more than I'm looking to take home, you know. See what happens. We close above also, I'm going to get out of this. But yeah, let's see. Tra-la-lilo, tra-la-la. Yes. We got the brain rot coming. 420 then the pooper, please, Miss K says. Yes, indeed.
So I gotta see where we at on the likes, man. Y'all gotta like this stream for this duck race, man. We like 20. Y'all, we got 389 likes, y'all. Y'all come on, man. We only need 11 more likes before we hit 400. Y'all come on.
Come on.
Hey, right now, go tell your meemaw, your pawpaw, your mom, your pops, your cousins, your brother, and your sister. Go tell them, come on, like the video, y'all. Let's go.
See, we were 10 points in profit on this trade. I didn't take it, but we hit 10 points. There we go.
So,
I might get out of one around if we break the low again.
Yeah, I got you.
You know, I'll piece out of this a little bit. There we go.
I'm waiting.
Missed it by that much. We'll get out of one position there and one down here if we can last. If we can make it. Oh man. We're not looking for that.
Pumping again. It's trying to pump. Come on, man.
Yeah, we're about 8 points here.
Come on.
There we go. We took one.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna put my stop and profit here just in case.
I'm waiting for it to come down more. I gotta wait for more.
Yeah, your entry was a little bit lower.
Yeah.
All right. I got out of there. So nice. Cha-ching.
Look, you got your money and I'm still holding. Man, come on.
I still love this to turn around, to be honest. I'm thinking about getting another short because look at all these wicks. We just keep testing up here and then come back down. To me, this is staying. We're still coming down over here, you know. I'm still liking the short. So NQ is trolling. Yeah, exactly. It is.
This definitely troll. Watch it stop me out, then come down. I need you to go down like now. Don't boost up and then decide to like come down, man. Come on. We was right there back at break even.
Okay, here comes a push. Let's get a little push down here.
Yeah.
See, I'm liking another, kind of liking another sell. Kind of thinking of getting back in this.
I feel the jankiness coming, bro. I'm out of this. I ain't finna play around with this. That's an L. Because I feel it coming, man.
Yeah.
We was both in the short, but I couldn't get more out of it.
Do.
We said it at the same time.
I got a sell stop in here in case price turns around. Great close, by the way. Like that's what that's how you know someone is like a real. They know what they're doing when they're trading. When they see it's not working out, and they say they're closing off while in drawdown. Because most people, when you're in drawdown, you refuse to let go. Like I'm waiting for it to hit stop loss. I am not, and and here I'm gonna just close this. I had a sell stop, which again is why I use sell stops. It's like I want confirmation that we're turning around, kind of. So I'm gonna just close this out now.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get in for a buy.
Okay. I mean,
I'm gonna just follow the market. Why not?
Why not?
I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen right quick.
Look at that push! Wow.
Yup.
So that would have that would have put me in my sell, if I left it there. But again, when I see a candle pushing this strong up, I'm not trying to get into a sell that quick. I'm okay to wait a little bit.
I do like sales, but before it sell off again, I want to see it come up here and touch this, then get in for a sale.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a candle retest. Uh-oh, there we go. Here we go.
Oh,
here we go.
You got the race going?
Here we go.
Oh, boy.
The race coming.
Who we got? Let me get the names. Let me see who we got. Oh my goodness, it's Chimpanzini Bananini. It's Bombardario Crocodilio. It's Bapibam. Is that Bandito? Oh no, that's Moneca Ambulata. Wait. That's Ballerina Cappuccina. Oh look, Frigo Quinilo just walked by. Oh my god, Trippy Trophy in the lead. Oh no, that's Glorbo Rotadillo. Oh, Cappuccino Papadillo. Ballerina Cappuccina. Oh, who's coming up behind it? That's Crocodilo Penicio. Ballerino la la la. Oh no, it's Tigerillo. Whoa, is that Giraffa Celesta Vallagara Gadazza? Oh, that's Tung Saha. Uh-oh. Who's that catfish with the feet? That's what I want to know.
Look,
that's
catfish.
Catfish. Oh, that's Coco Fanto Elefanto. Of course. Oh, that's Trick Track. Blah, blah, boom. There we go.
Oh, here we go. Who is this? Catfish again.
Catfish. It's those 4 human feet. You can't beat 4 human feet and fins. You can't beat that. Well done. Top 20, by the way. So we got a lot of 20. Winners. Lots of winners here. Let's go.
Catfish.
I just got to get more familiar with the names of all these brain rots.
I'm not even gonna try.
Yeah, no. There used to be like 5, and then I think people started getting crazy. I think it was all made by AI. Like they just told AI, "Yo, could you make a bunch of crazy stuff?" And they're like, "Yeah, my pleasure."
It's crazy.
My pleasure. It is my pleasure. Price going back up, man. Going back up.
I'm actually in a trade, brother.
Oh, are you? What are you in, to buy?
Yep, I'm in the buy, looking for more buying pressure.
Let's go.
Let's see. I'm gonna go break even probably. All right, so we a little bit in profit. So I'm at break even right now. In case this thing want to be janky. You're gonna come back down. Watch.
Come on.
Yeah. So I got out at break even. I tried to take a quick little buy.
Yeah, I was thinking of selling the top of that, but happened too quick.
I'm so nervous of sales right now. I feel like it's gonna go right against me, man. We do got a 5-minute sales signal coming up. I don't know, man.
I'm gonna put a sell at 329.50 and see if I can get a quick 4 to 8 points over here. Gotcha. Taking it's six contracts, getting 4 out at 4 points, and the remaining 2 out at another 4 points. So what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Let's see. And guys, you know, the stream's coming to an end in another 5 minutes. Any questions, anything, definitely hit us up. We're out here. We're live. Corey's streaming live on his YouTube too. Definitely check him out.
Appreciate it,
always
man.
a fun time. Yeah, for sure. So yeah, let's see. We'll see. I still got an order out. See if we can catch another trade. Oh, I'm in. Well,
Let's
see
go.
if we catch this trade here.
I'm watching your screen.
Come on.
Come on, get down to that
Do the
TP.
right thing. Do the right thing. It's only 4 points. It's only 4 points, NQ. It's not gonna hurt you.
Yeah.
You know, you can still go any direction you want. You just take a little 4-point step back and then
That's
go on with
crazy.
your day. That's all we're looking for here. Oh, you gave me 3 points. Gave me 3. Let's see.
Go the other way.
That's it. We're not asking for too much here.
End it on a plus for both of us, man.
Exactly.
Ooh.
Warm in here. So warm in here all of a sudden, huh?
Man, dude.
We get
Like
you
I
out.
told you, them church ladies at the church. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh,
Hell yeah.
man, come on. Ooh.
I call those candles like the tightening candles because all of a sudden I feel all tight. All of a
Man,
sudden.
just
I'm like, whoop.
mannequin.
Yeah,
Like a straight mannequin, man.
that's it. Let's see. Yeah, these candles. I gotta say, when I'm trading, especially ICT, I don't like candles like this. Like, I don't like these big. I like calm, relaxed,
Yeah.
boring candles that look like they're just kind of chilling. Like when I'm getting these kind of pushes, man,
Facts.
doesn't feel great. It doesn't feel great. But again, I just need 4 points. We're not playing the violin yet. We're not playing it yet. Oh, I said we're not playing it. We're not. We're not playing it yet. So let's see. Let's see if we can end this out right.
Come on, man. Oh, there we go. Come on. I'm rooting for you. I'm watching you, man. Ain't finna trade this crap no more, man.
Let's go. Come on, give me that button.
There we go. There we go.
Taking that. All
Nice
right.
dub, man. Nice dub, bro.
Ending it on the right note. You know,
He ended it great for both of us.
I'll put
Woohoo!
on my negative RR right here. Negative RR.
Let's go,
A
man.
little
Yes,
tilt
sir.
over there. Let's go.
Yeah, I
Throw the
see you,
fur
King.
We'll throw the fur on too. We get
Yeah.
the fur on.
Ooh, let's go.
Let's get it.
Ooh.
Let's get it.
He got
Let's
the
end it
fur
right.
and the crown.
That's
Let's
it.
go, King.
Come on, it's Wednesday. Let's get it. Let's
Let's
get it.
go.
Guys.
Yes, sir. That's dope, man.
Another great stream. Corey, we do this again on Monday, right? Am I
Hey,
right?
man. Hey, they like us. They really
Hey.
like us.
Always a great time. Chat, we love you. Always fun. Hit us up anytime. We're always happy to help. That's why we do it. That's why we do it.
Hey, thank you guys for 413 something likes, man. Congratulations, y'all. Any last words from you, brother? Before I'll close it out, man. Any last words from you?
You know, let's just keep it going and we keep it simple. And that is the way to profitability. You don't need to be a genius. Keep it simple and you can make the money. Code YouTube.
Let's go, man. Shout out to my brother Forex Ike, man. Shout out to my sis earlier, Terry. Shout out to Tom. Shout out to Pine Tree Trader, Methodical, man. Y'all, we done had a great stream.
Great
Man,
stream.
we're gonna end it on this note, man.
Do it.
You guys have a blessed day. We're gonna run it up come Monday, man. Don't
That's
ever run us out, man. We in here, baby.
We in here. We
Man.
in here.
Let's love y'all, man. We're gonna get on out of here, man.
Thank you all.
Brother. See ya.